that Eastside Johnny Big Redemption like. Know what I'm talking about? Hold up. Get out the way, get out the way, get out the way, yeah. Get out the way, get the fuck up out my way, yeah. You either with me or against me, ho. You either with me or win. Win. Fuck everything else. Win. These niggas ain't shit. Win. Stop chasing that bitch. Win. Big J Rocco on 10. Exit at 4. Bring friends. Black too dope. Jump in. You might wanna keep scope. I win. Forearm tattoos. That's squad. All of them go shoot. Don't try. I walk in room. They eyes wide. Third album come soon. I'm glad y'all gon' down. I ain't chasing after no bitch. I got bigger plans than staying rich. I've been tap dancing since I was 6. I tap dance all on a brick. And your diamonds like tap water. That shit way too foggy. These BBS is way awesome. Park CLS and baby mama. Drop to your death without warning. Get out the way, yeah. Get out the way, get the fuck up out my way, yeah. You either with me or against me, ho. You either with me or win. Fuck everything else. Win. These niggas ain't shit. Win. Stop chasing that bitch. Win. Fuck niggas don't stay outside when I play outside. I put the beats on them like drought side. I got the bounce side and that loud side. And if you act bad, I bring the cow side. Go and get your money, bitch. Telling my niggas on some funny shit. I can tell real by who you're running with. I'm all in the field, duck hunting shit. Hit my plug just to re-up and he was like, boop. Yeah. Legal knew just what it was. Flipped the whole dub and gave it back, boop. Yeah. 9/11, no mileage, baby. 9-ball with no violence, baby. My trigger finger got callous, baby. My red knuckles got talent, baby. I'm all in the wind with it. On Deuce line, I've been with it. She too fine, I've been hit it. Crashed 2 times out of limo tinted my new ride. I'm riding with the toaster. 12 better not pull me over. Championship going dumb. Nothing to something I won, bitch. Get out the way, yeah. Get out the way, get the fuck up out my way, yeah. You either with me or against me, ho. You either with me or win. Fuck everything else. Win. These niggas ain't shit. Win. Stop chasing that bitch. Win. We just hit the lotto. Hope y'all are feeling amazing. Can't lie, I am. I got a little, what's up, bud? I wanted to say shout out to some people in the room real quick. I am in a short, so I'm trying to manage that at the same time. I apologize for the delay. We're up about 13% now. It is time to trim half of it to secure our bag. Just in case we reclaim this downtrend, the current one we're in. I'm actually going to close it pretty much all right now, just so I can focus with you guys. And we'll look for a re-entry. I'm looking. I want to be able to focus on y'all tonight. I know, oh shit. Poker's already here, y'all. Dollar bills, y'all. Poker, Club GG. Where are the Club GG? You guys, this is going to be one of the wildest starts of all time. I apologize, but, you know, we're here. We're doing it. Hello, Sherry. Nice to see you in the building. I am back. 1 second. All right. this light on? 1 second, guys. I'm back. All right, my bad. I see Jay Ship is in the building. What up, Lotto fam? Ready for some poker? Yes, indeed. It is poker night tonight, as always, on a Tuesday. Let's get this special effects up and running, man. Where my poker diamonds at and all that fun stuff. There they are. Mr. Chris in the building, as always, talking about win, win, win. Yes, indeed. We also got, of course, Jada1312 in the building.
I don't know if you can hear me, but my audio is all messed up.
Well, I can hear you, yes, but you can't hear us, then apparently. Is that what's going on? You want to log out, log back in?
Hello, Ash, my fellow.
What else is new?
Can you hear us? Motown. All right, we'll come back to him. We'll see if he can officially get his audio fixed, man. I remember back in the day on Spaces, we used to deal with this, but for some reason we're dealing with it right now on StreamYard. So let's see if the dev of the decade can come back and say what up. Ash is in the building. Good evening, my fellow Felt Warriors. Good evening. Nice to see you in the building. And Ash says hello to you, boo.
I said hi to her. I miss her.
Oh, we miss her. Yeah, we do. All right, we got 93 people in the building. Y'all got to do me a solid. And of course, go repost, requote, all that fun stuff. I'm closing 100% of this position out because it's poker night. I don't want my green trade to go red. I feel like there's some further downside, but I'm just not going to put myself in that position to mess up and not multitask properly. What's up, Motown? Can you hear us now? I don't get it, bro. Hi, Motown. You're on mute. Maybe unmute. I don't know. And I just got a hair in my mouth. It's fun. Good times. Ugh. All right. Poker's officially been dealt. I am in a short on my main account, hoping that goes well while I'm trading with you guys and playing poker. Make sure you do your part, repost, quote, like, all that, comment. We're on 4 streams, platforms right now. We're streaming on YouTube. We're streaming on Twitch. We're streaming on Kick. And, of course, our favorite, and that, of course, would be X. All right. This is insane. I'm missing hands left and right. And we're back. Not the Mama says good luck to everyone. We appreciate you. We appreciate you. Yes, Safe Moon Space. You felt a lot of memories. I love to hear that, man. Shout out to, of course, Baby YOLO, Big YOLO, Wiz, Rudy, Frank from Interlink, you know, all the individuals. That's where they all met, man. So it's awesome to see that full circle kind of come back to fruition. And, you know, hopefully that project does what they know they can do, right? So there's some big things going on with that I'm excited for them. Lotto's looking real sharp right now. Got some pretty decent orders in, a couple sold here, a few sold here. Love seeing that. Absolutely love it. All right, we're going to try this one more time, Motown. Can you hear us now? The dev of the decade is in the building. No. Nothing. Motown. 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 Bro, I'm about to give up your government name if you don't fuck around and say something, bro. All right, I'm doing it. I'm giving up his government name, guys. I'm going to dox the dev of the decade.
You hear me?
Oh, my God.
No, I took, right?
I was about to dox you.
I was backstage. It said on my screen, and you're like, "Can you talk?"
It
I was
worked.
backstage.
You saw that how that worked, guys? He was
That's
scared.
hilarious.
He was scared I was gonna dox him, dude. That's all it took, guys. Just a little. I'm gonna dox you. You know. What's up, Mo? How you feeling, bro?
Doing good, doing good.
There's
Ready
only
to play
just
some
a
poker.
there's
I
only
love
just
it.
a tiny bit of space in Australia. There's
Is that
only
my
like
little homie
5
right there? Is that my
states.
hero?
5 states.
Oh yeah, he can't hear you now.
5 or 6 states.
Okay.
Tell him I said hello. All right, so let's take a look at what is going on today in the markets. Let's do our recap as always. This is our daily candles. Very cluttered. I know, very cluttered. Let's see if we could take away some of these views and angles real quick. So here's our daily chart, you guys. We were doing pretty good, man, right? You know, and this is that $95 low. This is the daily candles. We had a nice little run all the way up to, the 180 range. Had a little bit of healthy pullback, very similar to here. Curled up nicely, hit that high of 187 and some change. And then, of course, some news started coming out. You know, the Elon and Trump battle was pretty wild. That took us down to that 142 zone, which is right back here with support. So still very, very healthy. And then, of course, we kind of battled back and a little bit of the Trump news kind of fell apart. Everything was cool. We started making amends. We started seeing a nice little uptick. And, of course, kind of stopped out right around that 160, 65 range, started forming a head and shoulders. Some more news came out, right? There was the pump fund went down, and then, of course, war. And that pretty much took us from this peak and dragged us all the way to the mud again, which ironically, around that same area, you could see 140 psych level, 141 really. We got a lot of support there, man, a lot of support. And he called me the whole way with the pair of threes. It's bananas. Okay. So, I mean, if you look from the lows of lows, this is still a bullish chart. Grand scheme of things, we're kind of in a wedge right now, just getting really close to breaking out of that wedge one way or another. But we still haven't even sniffed our all-time highs at the 295. So from a daily candle perspective, we're long-term bearish, right? I shouldn't say long-term bearish. It's been bearish for a long time. But you see the perfect bottomed out chart here with a nice recovery, getting higher lows on all aspects. And now we're kind of hitting that support. So we got a pretty decent range between the 180 and the 140 range. Not too shabby at all. When we put back our crazy wild chart and grid and lines and all this crazy nonsense and we open it up, we can really see what's going on from the daily standpoint. On a daily candle, we lost a few different levels with the war news that broke out late in the day yesterday. Later in the evening yesterday at about 6 o'clock or so, it continued on the drawdown about 24 hours ago, and it got as low as that 145 range. And it kind of came back up here so far for the new day. This is where it closed at today, around 147.61. Got a big raise from Baby YOLO. Let's play cards. Baby YOLO's raising your boy. I'm out here ready to go. I'm calling like 4 racks to see the hand. Let's see what you got, Baby YOLO. I'm in position right now. I'm on the button. I get to see her react first. Hope she goes all in after the flop. Telemiro's contemplating it.
How come you're playing and I'm not? Like,
Oh, what the
we're
fuck?
doing it together.
Oh my God, I almost killed you guys. Or internet's out, I think. Baby girl, how did that happen?
I asked you and you didn't do it.
I said I was going to do you next and I just literally forgot. Like, no joke. I'm getting wifey set up. One moment, y'all. I'm getting wifey set up. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? What is this? Numbers in your pocket. I remember when you used to throw those things away.
Don't get me started. I will
What is this?
play it.
I remember when you. Woo, you had 7 minutes for late registration, y'all.
Is that a deep cut of like 112 or something?
Yeah, buddy. Is that what it is? I think so.
I think so.
Called It's
No,
Over
not
Now.
that's not the name. That's not the name of the song. That's just like that's not a
It's
popular song by them that was on that one album.
It's Over Now is what it's called. I love that song, dog.
I did too. That's funny.
What is this?
I held that
Numbers
a sign
in your
up to
pocket.
my high school boyfriend when he went to get an award that said it's over now and broke up with him in front of everyone.
Wow, what a sweetheart.
It
You are
was
so
brutal.
sweet. What a sweet soul. I married a sweet soul, y'all. A sweet soul, y'all. All right, where we at? Okay, so again, daily candles are right here. You can see whenever we lose levels on a daily candle wise, I always expect some pull forward, some push up towards the higher end. And then I, of course, expect it to continually drag until we find support. Like you can see here, when we closed above this support, that was our support. Next candle took off pretty clean. But here you keep losing levels and losing levels. And so I think, again, unless there's some good news that comes out surrounding the war, I think that's the only thing that really make us take off. And I do want to get in position to do that because either way, I'm always optimistic, if you will. So we'll see how that goes. On the 4-hour chart, get a little bit more of a cleaner view. On the 4-hour chart, we did break this uptrend that we were in. I'm sorry, this downtrend that we were in. Can kind of get a little bit more accurate with it. There we go. And there we go. So we did close underneath the downtrend on the 4-hour candle, which in my opinion is extremely important. The next candle, of course, opens up above it, kind of taps it to hold, and it is kind of pushing forward. But again, you saw this, right? We had drawdown, a curl, drawdown, kind of starting to even out. I think a lot of things are baked in right now, so I don't think the downward spiral is too much in effect, but definitely think we got to test this 143 range and hold. I think we also got to perhaps even come down and test this psych level of the 140 or the 141-ish range. So I'm still short-term bearish, but I do want to put myself in a position to take advantage of a long because I do believe the long will be pretty explosive. We saw this drawdown of all these red 4-hour candles. We saw it balance out, and then we saw some green candles starting to come in and kind of recover before that, of course, news broke out. So a lot of things to look at as far as from the larger scope of it all. We go to the 1-hour candles in the same kind of scenario here. Massimo, dude, you just trying to fucking bully me or what, dude?
What happened to my screen, babe? What's happening?
You must have hit a button of some
I didn't
kind.
touch anything. I literally am just hanging out. Firefox has a problem and crashed.
Is my internet still on, y'all? Y'all can still hear me?
Yes, sir.
That's awful. Okay, that's good. Got a little bit of good news. Hold on, Boo's computer's acting a little funny. Is it Mozilla you use?
I don't know.
I didn't know her computer was an actor. That is amazing.
LOL, guy. Okay. Okay. How come you don't see? Oh, you do. Okay. Wild start today, guys. Wild start today. Okay. We're back.
Where's my poker?
Okay, I got you. This is crazy, bro. Something happened. I don't know what. It's weird that it was only your end. So Massimo,
Yo, what's up, man?
how you doing?
Good. Just I was rushing to get back in time for the early start, but we're here. The girls are all happy. They got their food, and I just got you to fold a hand of poker. That was nice. That was a good call on your part, by the way. I had more than that ace.
Yeah, bro, I was sitting there like, my ace is clearly no good. The homie's out here like firing at me, so I'm out. You know what I mean? I'm out.
Yeah, for the ones that are listening, I had that straight.
Yeah,
But
I was like,
I also didn't want to show it to everyone just in case. It's like they think maybe they thought an ace is enough to win, and then maybe they go all in next time, and I got that straight.
yeah, no, that was well played, man. I'm really proud of you, bro. The good news is you only got about 800 more chips than me after all of that. So keep playing, homie. I'm getting them back, homie.
Hey, look, I don't want to wipe you out, man. I want to just a little bit, and
Yeah.
you and I are sitting top up in that table, so we good.
Yeah, no, I could tell you want to take this boy out, but you're good. I'll be honest, you're good. But as long as I'm around, you'll always be second best. You see.
I get no satisfaction out of beating you early. I don't want to beat you until the final table.
I don't think you've ever beat me, so you're okay. You wouldn't know if you're satisfied yet or not, because your boy always is at the final table.
Yeah. This conversation exactly how it is. Like we can just keep going back and forth.
Yeah, it's everlasting. It's a perpetual. You know what I mean? It's a perpetual.
Touche.
Okay, so Boo's good to go. She's up. Her shit's smooth. Everything's smooth on my end.
What's up, Boo?
Oh, what's up, Boo?
Hi.
Massimo says hi.
Oh, hello.
She's multitasking with the best of them. She's scouring the internet and playing cards and kicking it with us on screen. What up?
What up?
All right, so back to business. Perpetuals. This is the 1 hour chart. Same kind of scenario with the 1 hour chart since we've hit our downtrend. What was that?
Sorry.
Oh, no, you're good. I didn't know if you was talking to me. So since our downtrend, we did get a breakout of that downtrend, but lost it almost instantaneously. The very next hour caused us to lose that intersection. We came up, looks like we broke above a little intersection, and we're trying to kind of find this bottom. You can kind of see we're trying to find a bottom. Again, without some good news, I don't know how we can find a bottom here, but hey, you never know. Sometimes news aligns with your charting and it works out to your favor. Regardless of circumstances, I want to be very clear on what I've been trading all day today on my main. Since we lost this 12 EMA, it has never closed the candle above, just wicked. And if you want to see what I mean, look at this blue line. This blue line is our EMA. It lost it on this date here, Monday the 16th, yesterday at around 3 o'clock p.m. Pacific Standard. It lost it with the news. It tried reclaiming it a few different times, 3 out of the 4 hours. It tried to reclaim it, couldn't reclaim it. It tried reclaiming it again, couldn't reclaim it. And then earlier today, we had a really nice push above the 150, which was a real big bull trap that faked everyone out. And we ended up still closing below that 4 hour resistance. And again, you can see the same thing, wicks going above it, but never closing above it. And right now, that still holds true. So I have been playing shorts once we break through once we get close enough to the wick with the long enough, away liquidation so I can see it through. And as long as the candle closes below, I was keeping my shorts and just about 3 or 4 scalps earlier today on my main account. When you see a trend is taking place, you just got to trade it with confidence. This is literally a resistance trading towards support type of a strategy. It's easy to understand and comprehend. You can play with the EMAs, you can play with the SMAs, you can see what it's following to a T. I think the 12 EMA is pretty closely followed. And I think that it's pretty apparent that once it's rejecting that 12 EMA, that you're getting further downside. Doesn't matter what the case is. So I think We'll continue to do that as long as the news doesn't change. Again, there is a breakout of this trend line and a retest of this trend line. So sometimes that does give you enough momentum to push maybe a higher high, maybe a 150, maybe even a 150.50, maybe a 151.12 before crashing out. Really, there's just not enough news for me to remain anywhere near bullish. Just for me, this is a bearish downtrend that I'm going to just keep trading until it doesn't work. It's pretty simple. What we like to do here on Monday through Friday, we like getting on a little earlier, typically around 4:45 or so. We talk about perpetuals, and we really go from A to Z every time. The A to Z is like, if you've never traded a perpetual before, we'll talk about the platforms that you can trade these on. We'll talk about, a bunch of things, right? So long story short, let me go to my DMs real quick before, is that it? Is late registration closed? I think I fucked up hard today. I did not get to my DMs. Well, everybody should know at this point in time that Egon is someone you can rely on for the passcode. So I hope everyone's in that wanted to get in.
Everybody who hit me up prior to 2 minutes before late registration closed got a password.
I love it. I love it. Okay. So the first thing I'll tell you is what I trade off of. I use juke.ag for my perpetual trading. When you get on juke.ag, you'll see here Spot Pro Perps portfolio at the top if you're on a PC. If you are actually on a mobile device, it's actually towards the bottom. Once you click on Perps, you'll get these options here: Solana, Ethereum, or Bitcoin. Damn, someone's all in. Rooster Brewster's all in.
Why'd you get moved from my table, man?
And there's a call. Pocket nines called by King 7. And he trips the nines.
Oh,
King 7 of clubs, Monte Q Chad. I think he thinks that there's like rebuys or something, bro. I don't know what that was, Monte Q Chad. But Rooster ain't getting choked early up. I'll tell you that much. That chicken is not getting choked. He just doubled up in a mean way. So juke.ag, you click on Sol for what you're seeing here. You can click on anything else. Disregard these lines. When you click on Sol, you're not going to see these lines. These are some key levels of interest for me. Some of them I took from on the way down from 295. Some of them I took from the current charting we've been doing together here. There we go. Now, in regards to juke.ag, when you're trading perpetuals, there's only two options technically. You're either going long or you're going short. If you're going long, you think you're going to see some green candles. It turns green, so you know when you're putting in the trade that you're going long. If you're going short, simply put, you think some red candles are coming in. You'll see some red on your screen before you accept the trade, and that will help you make less mistakes. You have to be very careful that you don't go short thinking you're going long and vice versa. And that's, I believe, why they've color coordinated it to make it easy on you. Very, very simple. That's how it works. Now, of course, the first portion is your collateral. So right now we're up about 36% on this particular account. We started with 1 SOL. Our goal is, of course, to get to 5 SOL, and then we're going to turn around and give 1 SOL back. There is a post on my page that you can interact with in order to be a part of that. I will post it in a reply soon or then later on this specific stream that you're on. So, sorry, I'm in a big hand. I just got re-raised by Dante, who apparently bluffs, and then Rooster decides to just fucking go all in again, dude. What's up? This guy's got business to take care of or something, or what, bro? Golly, man, hold up.
I thought Jada was only going to go all in if he got tired. Maybe Rooster is getting sleepy.
Bro, what's up? All right, I'm folding, bro. Man, I had a monster. Dante called. Oh, my God. Rooster went all in with the lower end of the straight, bro. And Dante had the nuts. Wow. So Rooster went all in with 9 Jack on a 10 Queen King flop. So he had 9 through Jack. Of course, Dante calls with Ace Jack. He had the 10 through Ace, and just like that, Rooster's chicken just got choked by Dante. Or I shouldn't say Rooster's chicken got choked. Rooster, the chicken himself. All right.
His poker chicken.
Bro, that was wild, bro. That's like 2 hands back to back, just all in for the glory. I'm getting close to shorting this again, you guys. In fact, I'm not even getting close. I'm going to do it. Let me just double check my sources on X and make sure I'm not missing any news. Okay. Well, that's interesting. About 20 minutes ago, Trump calls on Iran to surrender. But I don't see anything about him physically surrendering, so. We know exactly where the so-called Supreme, that was way longer ago. That was 8 hours ago, so that's fake news, basically. Okay, fair enough. And now Josh NFT is just raising like a madman, huh? What's going on with my table, bro? They're acting like this is a rebuy, dude.
I'm almost dead. I got $5,000 left.
I'm all in.
Right now. So am I.
I'm all in. Let's go. Give it to your boy, Josh NFT. Let's go, baby. And then you got Motown re-raising you. What a prick. Motown, I'm going to fucking find you, bro.
Dude, I just got caught.
Rooster just
I
got
have to.
choked.
I was holding 2 spades and there were 2 right out of the gate. I'm like,
oh, not cool, man.
And I'm watching Baby Yolo and Dubious. I'm like, I don't think they have shit. He caught that straight, and I had 2 cards left to get a spade. I'm like, I'm just rolling. I don't normally bluff, but I thought they were bluffing, and they got me. Could have been worse.
Good game, babe. What up, Rooster?
Yo, dude, Dante. My man had a straight.
Sorry,
I had
bro.
a straight too, man. I thought I had it. But I guess I didn't. Man.
Man, I was so surprised the all-in so quick back to back too. I was like, damn, what's this guy got this time?
I know. But you know, I think it was because we were man. Because I was kind of like I was like yeah, man, I'm itching for a rebuy. And I was like no, I forgot there's no rebuy. I was like, oh shit. So I did have instant regret. Like, man, maybe I shouldn't have gone all in on this one.
It's the funniest thing. I literally was like, man, I feel like this table thinks there's rebuys, man. There's all in on all in on all in, like 3 in a row. I was like, shit.
Yeah, man, we play crazy, bro. We play crazy.
Straight up, dog.
Man, we get a little crazy, bro. Yeah, man.
So here goes Josh NFT all in on your boy, dog. He's all in on your boy, bro.
Oh, man, I wanted to talk to you about that game, bro. Like, so yeah, man, are we doing this on a Friday or are we doing this on a Saturday?
So that's a good question, man. So let's talk about that for a sec, bro. I think
And you know what? I looked back at our conversations, and last time, so this time you're saying 11th or 12th, because last time we were talking 25th or 26th.
Hey, Maxwell, you got a hot mic, Bubba. One more time, Rooster. I'm so sorry.
No. You were saying in this week's DMs, you were saying July 11th or 12th, but I was looking at our last week's, and you were saying 25th, 26th. So which week? Do you still want to do the 11th or 12th rather than 25th, 26th?
No, more time to promote is better. That's my bad.
Okay. So we'll do 25th and 26th. You want to do that Saturday, the 26th?
Yeah, I say Saturday the 26th is perfect.
Okay, and what time on the 26th you want to do it at?
I say we do I say noon only because if we do noon in the West Coast, that's 3:00 East Coast, that gives a lot more audience to kind of enter. And because it's on a Saturday, hopefully no one's working either. So you should be able to get a pretty decent sized group, no?
All right, July. Okay, 3 p.m. Eastern. All right, we'll do it. 26th.
And it should end just in time for the drawing. Or, I mean, a little later, I guess. Because you have that.
And it allows like Europe and stuff. They're usually like 5 or 6 hours ahead. They can still get in.
Yeah.
Yep.
The more the merrier. The more people that join, the more people I can steal chips from. I mean, what? I mean, yeah.
How'd that go tonight?
For
How'd
sure.
that go
For sure.
tonight?
Yeah, dude. I'm gonna take all your chips. I'm gonna take all your chips. I'm gonna take all of Professor Egon's chips. I'm gonna take all of Ghost's chips. Massimo, I ain't forget about you.
Hey, thanks for not leaving me out, bro.
Boo, I still remember you frying my chicken thighs. I'm coming after you. You know, like, I'm coming after all y'all chips.
She double fried that chicken ass.
Dude, she double fried me. After she got me twice. So she got, not only did she get me the first time, but also my rebuy. So it's like when you double fry a chicken to get it like extra crispy.
You can't be mad about that. That was just meant to be.
No, I can't. You can't be mad for making really, really extra crispy chicken, bro. Like, it always puts a smile on people's faces, of course. But yeah, so I want my revenge.
Man, I want some
Hopefully I get my revenge. We shall see. But yeah, man. Yeah.
That was a good game, bro. I can't even flex, bro. That was a wild one, bro. She took me out too, bro. You feel me? Like, what could we do, bro?
I got in real late, unfortunately, for that one, but I caught the final table and was able to watch it live. It was wild. That whole game was wild. It started to get a little slow at the end, but it was wild.
Hey, real quick, everybody. I did just start a position on a short. I still believe that we're consolidating towards the upside, but I think, dude, we're still in a straight up downtrend right now, and I just can't foresee it any other way based on the news and the narrative, unless there's some good news. Like, again, the leader of Iran is somehow like talking and negotiating and getting out of the woodworks from this war or some kind of peaceful scenario. I just don't see how we can start to push towards the upside, no matter how much good news with Coinbase and the SEC and more, ETFs coming out. It's not enough news to shake that we're in the midst of a potential, conflict, and we're sending in, we're sending shit over there right now. So again, I'm still bearish for the time frame, and I'm just simply starting the same small position to start it off with, based on rejecting this EMA, the 12 EMA that it's been rejecting. Getting in when it's wicked above it is a great starting point for me. And I'm looking at least coming back to test this 147.19 or even potentially the 146.31. I'll trim all the way down at each level. But anyway, Rooster, we got it down pat now, right? We got the 26th.
26, 3 p.m. Eastern. So this is what I'm going to do. Around like 11 or noon your time, that's when I'm going to send you the post. And then we'll rate each other's posts. And then we'll go from there. Yeah.
Fucking love it, bro.
Yeah, man. All right, man.
The Solana summer event is upon us, bro. It's going to be so epic. I'm looking at July 26th. It's dope too, because on the 25th, right before the day before, that's the last Friday of the month also. So we got our World Series of Lotto poker event at that point too. So we'll hopefully be able to talk about it all night on Friday and kind of swing people into, of course, the One Soul event, man. And it'll be dope. We're going to announce some cool things too. I think we got to put up, fun bounties. Like if you win a hand with 6-9, which to represent our NFTs, we'll give out some Lotto for that. We'll do some fun shit, man. That's what I wanted to talk to you about. I forgot when we were on the phone the other day. I was like, there was something I wanted to do.
Then in that case, maybe around noon your time, let's get on the phone. Maybe we'll include that in the post as well. There's no rush because we still got like a month and a week. So we got like 5 or 6 weeks. So we got plenty of time, man. Yeah. So let me know what time you're free tomorrow. We'll talk and we'll finalize all the details and then we'll push it up tomorrow. We'll start pushing it.
Tomorrow I got an appointment at 10 to 11. So basically 11 o'clock, which is 2 o'clock your time. Anytime after 2, I'm free.
Perfect. Let me know 2 o'clock. I'll mark it on. I'll pencil it in at 2 o'clock. Just let me know. Just DM me whenever you're free. I'll be available. Yeah, because I'll be free that time too. Yeah,
done. Sweet. I love it.
Yeah, man.
Fuck it, son. I love it, son. Let's go, baby. The One Soul.
Hopefully, I play better than what I played today, man. Today, this is a fluke. So don't be judging my feels based on this now.
I got a question actually. So somebody was telling me, it was actually Hinch. He was like, dude, if you're doing a whole soul buy-in, maybe you should do a half a soul for the rebuys. You might get more people to want to rebuy. It's unlimited rebuys. And if you do a half a soul for the rebuys, it might be advantageous. So mull that over before you make the post, of course.
Okay. Half a soul for the rebuy. So that 1 plus a rebuy, you could technically do 3. It's like buy 2, get 1 free. Basically, what you're trying to tell me is you buy 2, you get 1 free. That's interesting. It's like a
Yeah.
BOGO. Okay.
It's just to intrigue more people to want to do the rebuy. It's to
you know what? I'll let the gods decide. If tomorrow when we post it, crypto is red, we do that. If it's green, we don't. How about that? We let the gods decide. Yeah, I like it better that way.
If it's green, 1 soul, 1 soul. If it's red, you're saying half a soul rebuy.
Yeah, we'll let the gods decide. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm with it.
Okay. I like it. It's in the hands of the gods. Okay, very good, very good. I love it. I love it. It's like going out to sea. You don't know if you're gonna make it or not. You just ask Poseidon, please let me come back. And if you don't, well, Poseidon said no. So fuck it. You know, like.
I'm with it, dog. I'm with it, man. I love it.
Yeah, man. It's like the old days, all or nothing days. Yeah, I like it.
I'm fucking with it, bro.
Bro, I don't like
It's been a while.
to someone that takes out Motown.
Well, it's too late now. The game started, but or no, it's not. It's not too late.
Uh-oh.
You want to bounty on Motown's head? Okay, what do you want to do?
I don't know. What's the bounty?
25,000 Lotto tokens if you take out the dev of the decade. Wifey's pissed off, and I got to keep her happy.
Thank you.
Shit.
He's a good man, bro. Good man.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure in many old kingdoms, this is how murders got started. Like, that pillow talk. Wifey's like, there's this guy, give me this ugly look. Like, you need to do something.
I hate to tell you that the 3 of us would have had multiple.
The Lord of the Castle has to just be like, shit. Do I have to like get rid of somebody because of that?
100%, dog. I swear to God.
This is how it was in the old days, man.
No, thank God it's not, man. The 3 of us would have had bounties on our heads for real for a long time.
Oh man, oh damn.
We like to talk too much.
Hey, we having a good time for a long time, though. You know what I mean? That's all. We're having a good time for a long time.
Hey, and we have beautiful ladies too. You know they're trying to. Back in the day, real easy way to jump in there, just kill the husband.
Oh damn!
Hey,
Ghost is
What am I
like,
talking about here?
Ghost is like, he's like, nah, man. Now I need a food tester, and I need all this. Like,
yeah, bro. I promise you, I won't eat Jello because of it, dog. You know what I'm saying? Green kind of Jello,
I mean,
dog.
that's not a bad thing anyway. It's disgusting, but.
No, I liked green Jello. What you mean, bro? She was like, you know that you could put arsenic in green Jello.
No, not arsenic. It was that fluid that goes in cars, dude.
Radio or
No.
Antifreeze.
Antifreeze. There you go. You put that.
You put antifreeze in wine too.
Oh
Yeah,
my
you-
God.
like, you could put antifreeze in green Jello and just instantly kill somebody. And I was like, oh, okay.
Egon's like,
by the way, guys,
there's the Italian.
being recorded, like you guys. It's like one day.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Yeah,
I know
he's
nothing
like-
about it.
He's like, he doesn't make it to a
Although, nice
poker
42
game,
antifreeze,
he's like in the
never heard
hospital.
about it.
He's like, my
Very
stomach
good.
really hurts.
Yeah, but what happens after the arsenic? Like, you going to the pig farm or you going to the quarry with the lime?
Hey, bro, knowing her, bro, she'd probably take me to Florida, fuck around and drop me off where the little gators are, bro, and just get chomped out real quick. Who knows? Or take me to the Pacific Ocean, put some cement shoes
You
on
know
my
what?
feet.
She's an animal lover. She wouldn't do that to the gators because they'd die from eating your ass.
Yes, good job, dude. That was a good call. You see that?
What?
If you brought me to the gators after I ate that shit, you kill the gators too. So don't fuck around and find out, dude. You don't want to kill animals also.
No.
We go to Florida. There's some gator that's got like ghost sunglasses on, and we're like, oh damn, dude, no bueno. Like we're like, oh man, no bueno. You didn't make it. Some crocodile out there wearing ghost sunglasses, like just chilling.
Yeah, that was rocking that shit like yo, chilling.
Don't worry about the gators, man. Just
now,
get a bag of lime, some concrete, and a little muriatic acid, and then just hold your breath for 30 seconds, and you're good.
Fuck
Feed them
this
to
guy.
the pigs.
Is that financial advice, bro? Is that financial advice? Are we giving up financial advice?
No. I'm a life coach, bro. Not not a financial advisor.
Life coach. When you suck at life, you hire somebody like you. I love it. I love it, bro.
Oh my god, dude, I'm fucking done, bro. A life
Hey, I'm certified. Let's go.
You suck at life, hire me. Like, you know, like life coach.
Oh my god, bro.
I love it, man.
Fucking great, bro.
I once made this thing, dude. You know what? I'm gonna send it. I'll send it to the chat for folks to look at. But I once made this thing, and it was funny. It was like one of my headshots, and someone was like, "Dude, you look like a fucking doctor in this." I'm like, "What?" They're like, "Yeah," and they're like, "Not like a doctor, like a psychiatrist." I'm like, "Huh, interesting." So, which I don't know where that came from, but I doctored the image up, and I changed the name, this and that, and it was like Dr. Massimo. For $250 an hour, I'll convince your spouse that everything in your life is their fault, or all the problems in their life are their fault.
Dude,
Come
that's
on,
so
man, give me $250 an hour. I'll make your spouse think that they are the only problem in the relationship.
dude, I saw a meme and it was this couple. They reenacted this thing where he basically was going to like a prostitute, quote unquote, and essentially she was it was his wife, but they're acting in a sense. And he's like, yeah, man, I got like $100. Is that enough to tell me that I could win an argument with you? And she's like, yeah, that's fine. Give me $100, And he gives her 100, and he's like,
Oh my
wow.
god, I've seen this. Yes.
Wow, I just flopped a straight and lost to Josh NFT, who same scenario, dog, as you, Rooster. 9-6, and he had 9 jack. The flop was 7-10. I had 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. He had 8, 9, 7, 8, 9, 10 jack. Just took half my stash. This son of a bitch. Anyways, he keeps going in like, how much is it if I can win an argument? And it looks like a prostitute. And she's like, oh man.
Oh my god, I've seen this.
Oh, yeah.
It's fucking
I've
epic,
seen it.
bro.
It's epic.
He's
bro.
like,
You have
tell me
it,
you
dog.
appreciate me. He's like, he's
Yeah,
like crying. Thank you so
right.
much.
Make it more believable. Make it more believable. For
Yeah.
And then
And
there's
he
a
starts
whole
crying
line of
and
cars.
that-
There's guys behind him.
Yeah, exactly. He's like, hey, will you hurry up here? He's like, I got some He's like, I got some mom or dad issues or something I'm trying to fix. Like,
Dude, that shit had me dying, bro. I'll
it
send
really
you that
is.
shit
It's
on it
fucking
again,
epic,
dude.
man.
It's fucking hilarious, bro. It's like the epitome of a dude just wanting to win one argument and he can't do it against his wife. So he hires like this girl that basically does it for the whole block, the whole area.
He just talks back to her, and he's like, and you know what? I do this hard, and I do this, and I deserve that. He's like, wait, I just won the argument.
So good. It's so good.
But right
the
before
first
that,
time,
she just gives in totally, and he's like, no, my wife will push back a little bit. Give me a little resistance.
Yeah, I was just
All right,
gonna
let's
say
go
that. Yeah. He's like, can you give me a little bit of pushback? Like that's too easy. It's like, yeah, sure.
He wanted to go to a bachelor party with his friend. That's what it was. And he was like, I'm just trying to go to a bachelor party. And she's like, you're not going to a bachelor party. Fuck that. And he's like, come on, dude. She's like, okay. And he's like, no. I need more pushback than that. And she's like, okay, fine. You're not going to a bachelor party, dude. I know it goes down at those. And he's like, dude, come on. I've never broke your trust. I'm a good person. Like, come on, let me just go. It's just my friends. Like, you call me, you can check in on me. She's like, not happening. But it's such a funny thing to see. And it's like the genuineness and the acting that those two did, they killed that, bro. I was like, who are these people? I've never seen them before, man, but they're fucking funny as shit, dude.
I think it's I'm pretty sure they have a Paige and their husband wife, if I'm thinking of the same people.
Yeah, I think so. I definitely think they're definitely
yeah. They're definitely, I think they're Italian, yeah.
I'm not gonna lie, they definitely look like they could be you and your wifey, bro. A little Sicilian action.
She looks more Sicilian than him for sure. But
is your wife Italian? So?
What's that?
Is your wife Italian?
Oh, dude, I think I may have said this before, but we were talking one day about our lineage. Like, yes,
right.
We're talking about our lineage one day, and I come to find out that her family is from the same region, outside of Palermo, Sicily, as mine. And on top of it, the other part of our family was from the same region in Cosenza, Calabria, which is like right down on the boot, like right where, going over towards Sicily. So I was like, are you fucking shitting me? I'm literally getting ready to propose. So, I called her sister and I was like, hey, I'm like, did you have to do a family tree in like high school or grade school or shit or something? She's like, oh my god, we had to go so far back. We all had to do those. So I like pulled all sorts of information from her and my side, made some calls, some family, this and that. I had to literally triple check that we weren't fucking related.
So fucking funny, bro.
So,
So
yeah, my wife and I mean, we are, slightly, like we're the Sicilians are a little bit darker skinned than the rest of Italians. So we are like, olive skin, fucking black hair Sicilians. Like we look like we could be related. So our kids are clearly our fucking kids,
Bro, I'm sitting on a 2-pair queen 9 flopped it. There's a spade that came out, and this guy's calling me a ghostbuster. Mr. Chris, go fuck yourself. I'm gonna fold, dude, because you got your lucky spade.
Don't be scared. Oh, dude.
Yeah, I knew you got your lucky little spade. It's all good.
You did, man. You did.
Buddy.
You did. Oh man, good thing you didn't listen to me, bro, because you would have lost. Yeah.
I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. I wanted to call out of spite, bro, but he was so confident. Game over. Ha ha ha. Game over. So I'm like, yeah, okay, bro, you got it like that. All right.
Oh damn.
Sometimes you gotta dodge bullets in this game. You feel me?
Yeah, man.
Mr. Chris sitting at 100,000 now, dog. From chips, son.
Ghost, I'm gonna head out real quick, but anyway, tomorrow after 2 p.m. Eastern, 11 a.m. your time, we're gonna jump on a call for all those like little extras that we put in, and then we'll make the post out. We'll send it out tomorrow, and July 26th. Yeah, one of us is gonna take somebody's chips. Somebody's gonna cry. Someone's gonna laugh, and everyone's gonna have a little bit of fun, though. So that's gonna be.
I'm in, dog. I can't fucking
To be determined who cries and to be determined who laughs, I guess, right?
Yes, I think it is to be determined. Yeah.
That's
Stay tuned, folks.
Yeah, or maybe we both do a little bit of crying and laughing. Who knows, man? Who knows? Like
like an Armageddon, when he's like 90% excitement, 10% fear. Maybe it's the other way around, but who knows? That's the exciting part.
Exactly, bro. Exactly. Well, anyway, good luck to you guys. Ghost, we'll talk tomorrow. And guys, it was always fun. It's fun as always. And good luck to all, man.
I love
I
it.
appreciate you, bro. We'll see you soon. All right, man. There y'all have it, man. We got a one soul buy-in getting prepped, man. Mr. Chris is just out here fucking ready to bully his fucking competition, man. Go ahead and show your ace 10, bro. Fucking guy over here. There it is. Yeah, good hand, buddy.
What do you think this is?
I didn't get my flush like you got yours.
What does this look like to you? I'll give you a clue. It is his son. Whoever you're thinking,
It's
that's
that
his
old
son.
dude. Yeah, I know what you're talking about. It's the old dude. I don't know his name though.
Gary Busey.
Yeah, there you go. I knew.
Isn't that weird?
Yeah, that's fucking him. You guys, I was sitting so pretty in poker with like 65,000 chips, bro, and I just went on 3 hands in a row where I flopped a straight, lost, flopped a fucking 2 pair, lost to a fucking flush, and then just didn't hit my king, queen, flush, and straight draw. This is a brutal game for your boy tonight. Brutal game for your boy.
I'm pulling up to the house. I can't wait to get into this brutality. This is gonna be disgusting.
So brutal.
Okay.
I'm be like, hey, sweet quad aces. Oh, straight flush. Okay.
Yep.
Yeah, bro, it's crazy, bro. Flopped a straight. Someone flopped a higher straight.
Hey guys, I'll be right back. There's 2 police officers up in my house. I need to see what the hell they want. So I'm probably gonna have to sit out for a second. I'll be back though.
Okay, bet.
I didn't fall asleep. That's what I need to say.
Call us if you need backup.
Shit, I ain't going there if you need backup. Fuck that. That was Egon. No, I'm playing.
Blink
What's
twice if you need help.
Yep, all me.
What's up, Husky?
What up, Husky?
What's good, fam?
How you feeling, bro?
I'm good, man. Chilling.
So you in your merch, I heard.
Yeah, man. Got some merch in the mail, bro. Love it.
Hey, I heard she killed it. He DM'd me like, yo, bro, this shit is fire. I was like, let's go,
Let
dog.
me see. Let me see what this hand has real quick, and then maybe we'll go ahead and just pop it off.
Let's go, dog. Dude, I'm so sad right now how bad I just got fucking mollywopped 3 hands in a row like this, bro. I'm down to 11 racks, bro. Mr. Chris just out here wolfing too.
Just need people to call him, man. He's a
He said-
bluff master.
He said he's on a mission, bro.
Yep.
Once again, the dude who has 100K in chips down to 59, just like that. It's so aggressive, Mr. Cruz.
I got my money on P-Dub Bugs. She's got the most money at the table that I'm watching right now.
How many chips?
She's got 56,598.
Damn, this pot right now is worth 200,000. Whoever wins it. Holy
She's
shit!
number 4. She's 4th right now.
Josh NFT Savvy out of the game, man. Pocket Kings got trashed by Dante with an ace on the river for a 2-pair, but he top pair, top kicker. Not much he can do, man. Good job, Dante. Man, is there some news I'm missing right now, dude? Because I feel like Solana's running kind of nice right now.
All right, here we go.
Oh, that's fire. Is that glow in the dark, low key?
No, that's just, it's bright green.
Hold on, let me put you on the big screen, dog.
Get that big one up there, bro.
Sick, dog. That's so hard, bro.
Yeah, man.
I love it, dog.
Love that color, bro.
That's my favorite, bro. I mean, bro, it's a little yellow right now, but especially in the lighting, but this is kind of like the neon highlighter yellow. I like the highlighter yellow and the highlighter green so much, bro.
Yeah, my last 2 cars were that color. I was super jelly when you pulled that out. That is such a great design. And you know what I thought of first.
Oh, I told him, I said I wanted green because of my birds, bro. I know you remember the fly season.
That's good.
Where they had just fly across the chest and the neon green dripping down. Yeah, man.
It's so hard.
Vaguely.
Oh, it was only like 3-4 years ago.
To potentially join Israel's assault on Iran per the Hill. And somehow we're running. That's hilarious, man.
What did it say now?
The market will stay irrational longer than you can stay sovereign. Let me tell you. I am adding to this position now. My next stop, 151.12. This is 151.50.
What, the short that you're in?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm adding to it. Nice. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you. Yeah, I think it's like 134 liquidation or something.
All right, I've added in. I'm in for a full Solana. It said failed position. Is that? It didn't go through. There we go. Collateral 143. We're good to go. We're in for our full position now. Where we at?
Goldfish Base, you're on my table. You just made me realize that I didn't put my picks in for this weekend. I would have mopped the floor with you guys.
All right, so we got our rejection at the 149, which is the last area we rejected as well. As long as we continue on the downtrend, I'm good, but you can see a channel is formed, right? So if you're taking longs at the 146.31, close them out towards that 148.96. You take the shorts from there, close them out around 146.31, take the longs from there, could have closed them out at the 149. And if you take the shorts from here, you're trying to get it close to this 146.31. We've been consolidating in this channel. Right now, the news is bearish. It looks like America is joining in the war of Israel. Still speculative, still no official announcement, but that's obviously bearish to have to go in there and help out. So let's hope they can come to some quick resolution, man, because that would mean we can see a launch pad take off. It's ironic, but it's starting to consolidate because we know something's going to happen, whether that means the longs and this shit's over and done with, or whether that means we hit the ditches, man. It's one or the other, in my opinion, man. It's going to be a big move either way. You guys, I'm getting bullied on this poker tournament right now, like bullied, bro. Yeah, you see this, Sherry, dude? He's got 221,000 chips, dude. And he's on my table, of course. Once again, Dante. once again, you see this rejection on this 12 EMA has been wild, bro. I mean, no matter how strong the positioning has been for it, it's just closing underneath the EMA. It's still early. We got about 30 minutes left on this hour candle, but you can see it firsthand, man. It's been happening a lot. So if you're taking shorts, once again, by that EMA, with some room to add to it, just in case it goes above and beyond. So far, it's been paying out. Mr. Chris, you're down to 44K, just like that, bro. You're taking my chips on some lucky ass flush shit, and then you're giving them out to everybody but me, dude. Slow down, buddy. Slow down, birthday girl. Slow down, birthday girl. Come on now, little girl. He says, yeah, right. I think you might accumulate the most chips in poker. You just can't hold on to them, dog. That's the reality, man. That's what we're faced with you.
He's a giver.
He's a giver.
He's a giver.
He's a giver. We're back green on our short position, man, after being down some. We're up about 5% right now. Let's see if we can get a full-blown reject. Again, that news that just dropped about the U.S. becoming positioning itself to potentially enter this war is definitely bearish, bro. So we'll see if the market responds to that.
She's just sleeping in the corner over there?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's an interesting turn of events right there.
Sucks, man. You hate to see it, man.
There's so much I know about that.
Okay, Mr. Cruz, I see you had your ace. Good job. Good job. He said check chips. Up about 6.5% so far. Still early in the trade, man. I still want to see some downpour on this price action. I'd like to lose this 148.09 level first. And then after losing that level, I'd like to at least come down and test that 147.19 level. Dude, I'm ice cold, man. They got me bricked out on a table full of flamers, dude. This is sick, bro. Unbelievable. They got me straight iced out, bro. You got Mr. Chris playing 88% of his hands, and he's flamed out. Meanwhile, I'm over here with 57%, just ice cold, bro. Unbelievable. And he's raising. It's all yours, Mr. Chris. It's all yours. Trip Kings. When you're running hot, you're running hot, dog. What can I say? All right, candle hours turned red so far. It is trying to hold this 148.09, but that's a huge rejection, man. Hopefully, again, we can get further rejection here. Let's lose this level. Let's come down and test the 147.19. Let's see if we can come back and hit this intersection here at the 146.31 on the same 1 hour candle. Would be epic for our trade. And then, of course, Roxy says, cry me a river. Oh. Cry me a river. Oh, oh man. All right, y'all. I'm all in for the night. What's up, Roxy? You want to cry me a river? You want to cry me a river, or Roxy? Mr. Chris calls your boy. Good game. Good game. Good game. You called me with an 8 deuce, man. You earned it, dog. Good game, homie. You earned it. I can't wait to play you next Friday when it matters, because you called with some disgusting shit, and it's going to make me easily get my chips next game. So good game, dog. Can't wait for it. I can't wait for it. No. Don't feel bad, Roxy. You don't get to talk shit and then feel bad. No. There ain't no feeling bad for your boy over here. Shit, this is what matters. Let me tell you what matters, guys. This right here. This is what matters right there. Your boy in 3rd place, Husky. 2nd place, Egon. first place. You see us three up here right here? See how it works when you jump on a mic and you start showing some love? Comes back full circle. Top 3 is out here talking shit. So y'all can take this one down. Mr. Chris, good game, homie. I'm coming for you, bro. Just know you put a target on your motherfucking head. Now I'll never root for you again, son. 8-2 offsuit. 8-2 offsuit. Calling raises pre-flop. Calling all ins. I'm taking you out next game, homie. I don't even give a fuck what I have. I'm going to be calling you the whole fucking game, dog. Can't wait for it. Can't wait for it. Cannot wait for it. I'm coming for you, bro. Shit ain't funny. I'm coming for you. Don't you ain't safe now, dog. You ain't safe now. I just followed you back too. Now you won't stop DMing me, dude. I'm about to fucking unfollow you so you can only talk to me up here, you fucking player, you. I'm coming for you, bro. I promise you I am. Coming for you. 20 players left, man. It's one of the fastest games I've ever seen. You got people like Mr. Krish just going all in every hand, dog. It's the fastest game I've ever seen. No, you can't bribe me, bro. No. No. 26 minutes left before the candle closes. We're starting to get some drawback. We're going to test this 12 EMA. See if we can lose it after a deviation. We're still below the 20 or 12 EMA on a longer time frame. The 1 hour candle. Still have yet to close the candle above it on the 1 hour, man. Pretty easy to trade so far if you're just following that little concept, but we'll see how it pans out. At one of these days, it's not going to work. That's the way we notice these trades play. That's how they play out, right? It works until it doesn't. So until it doesn't, we're going to keep trading it. We're up 10% on the trade so far. And that's not too shabby, but it's definitely hasn't hit our level yet. We want to break this level first. Maybe 147.50-ish. We'll take our first trim. Actually, if we drop below here, I'll take a little trim just to be on the safe side. Yeah, I know, sure. He's all about the bribes, right? You hear this guy? He's ready to go, dog. 0.367, collateral 143-ish, liquidation 151. So we're getting a little bit of a bounce off the 12 EMA on a 15-minute candle. Let's see how this plays out. Again, we do have double rejection. Last time we had a triple rejection on that higher level of 150, and at 149 now we're having a double rejection, and the third one's coming up. It looks like the test now. We'll see how this plays out. I like our odds, man. I think we have a high probability here. Only time shall tell. So Senator Ted Cruz is saying, I mean, we're officially carrying out military strikes today. It's just Israel's leading them, and the U.S. is, of course, supporting them, which I kind of agree, to be quite honest. So this could be reactions of kind of already baked in at this point. I think the news first was pretty wild, and that's where we saw this drop off. And since then, it's been kind of trying to find its consolidation zones. We do have, again, a wedge kind of forming, if you want to call it that. You can get this going. It's kind of your wedge right now, I would say. Right there. Ascending wedge, if anything. Higher lows, but not getting higher highs yet. So we'll see how this plays out. I hate being out of poker this early. I hate it. I fucking hate it. Even Boo got knocked out early. We got 300 people in the stream across 4 platforms: YouTube, X, Twitch, and Kick. I appreciate all of you for tuning in. If you haven't done so already, please do, man. Like, subscribe, reply, hit us with a reply live, and also hit us with a reply on the main page. I'll tell you what I'll do tonight, man. I'm going to give out some lotto balls, man. I want to have a good time tonight since I'm going to be fucking sitting here bored out of my mind. We are taking trades live. Again, this is not financial advice. You don't have to take trades just because I take them, but I will tell you why I'm taking them. Of course, if you'd like to, you can. I can't stop you. But just know you got to hold yourself accountable. You're the one that's deciding if you're going to take the trade or not. You're also the one that's deciding how long you're going to hold the trade for. So please do not just take a trade because of my level of confidence in a trade. Remember, I have no control over the price action. Whatever happens, happens. With the proper risk management, I'm out here trying to survive, right? So we got 1 soul challenge, trying to get it to 5 soul. We officially got a full soul in this particular play, with just about 36% profit so far. And we've been in it for about a week at this point. He said, Ghost, ask me about 5. What about 5? What about 5? Tell me about 5, Jada. Is that what you're asking me to do? Tell me about 5, Jada. 21 minutes left on the 1 hour. 15-minute chart still consolidating, looking like a straight up W, man, which is scary. Those W's, man, that's that pandemic life right there. You still would need to reclaim 150 to really get some real action going on the bullish side of it. Once again, we're still in a downward.
All right, I'm back. Sorry about that.
Who is that, Massimo? Is that you, Massimo? All right. Somebody said they're back, but they're not talking anymore. I think it was Massimo.
It was Massimo.
It was, right?
Yeah.
He said, okay, I'm back. And then all of a sudden he got arrested.
Sorry about that. I was pulling away from my house and I got this fucking like spaceship router that just kept me connected to my Wi-Fi for like a block. So I had to, it was jumping off.
So what, you had to get out there? You had to go out, run away from the police that pulled up, or what?
No, and apparently let's put it this way. I'm gonna have to have a text or a conversation with one of my buddies. No, there was a vehicle apparently that had 2 people on it that broke into 2 cars and tried to break into 2 others in the neighborhood. And the cops were going around like asking some folks. They got to one of my buddy's house. My buddy's like, "Oh, dude, you just need to go talk to this guy over here at this house." He's like, he literally has a camera on every fucking inch of this entire neighborhood. Like he'll have it. If the car drove by his house, like he has it from multiple angles. And so I'm talking to him, I was like, I literally, I'm like, motherfucker, like, why are you sharing my shit out there? Because the first thing they do, they show up, they're like, oh, show us this camera. I was like, what do you guys want? So I'm heading to the station right now because I'm not going to give them access to my shit. I'm going to let them copy it, just like literally record it from my computer. But I told them, I was like, look, I'm in an intense game of poker here, guys. So I said, so I'll let you review the video. I was like, but I'm going to be looking at my phone playing poker.
That's hilarious. He said, I got too much going on. Okay.
I'm pro. Like obviously, me, my background, my family, military, I'm pro blue, right? But at the same point, there are a few guys in my neighborhood that they just mess with people too much, and they know that I don't like them. So I'm like, I'm not making it easy to excuse my language.
You actually went in and out right when you said the bad word, so you're safe. I got this new I got this new tech when you say bad words, like what the is up? Did you hear how it like bleeps it out? Your mother.
Well, hey, the short version of it is there are two officers at the police station that one's a good buddy of mine, another one I respect the hell out of. I was like, I'll go share it with those guys that I know. I'm not sharing it with you two fucks who just are pain in the ass to people in my neighborhood. Like,
Dude, just admit it, bro. You're helping out the police officers right now, and you're a narc. Just admit it. It's okay. We still love you, dude. You're narking around right now, but we love you, dude.
You actually bootlegging, running moonshine?
I am 100%. I am 100% narking on the people that tried to break into my buddy's cars. The irony there is I told the guy, I texted my buddy and I was like, we got to talk. And we are better ourselves, right? He's like, fuck. I'm like, of course I got the car. What's that?
You're going in and out.
Oh, sorry. Hold on. I just went by a bad zone. It'll be clear in 10 seconds.
Okay, bet.
All right, we're good. Sorry. That zone right there, my call, reception, whatever. I can't even be refreshing Phantom or deck screener on that street, man.
That's so funny, dog. It's all you need. That's the only apps you need. Club GG, X, Dex, and Phantom, and your life is set. Maybe throw in Telegram and Discord so you could always be in the loop with Lotto. You know what I mean?
I do like pulling the charts up on Photon Soul, only because, and this doesn't matter, for conviction plays and stuff, things like that, right? But well, I can't say that. This doesn't matter. Let's put it this way. This does not matter, obviously, for Lotto because you're not going to see it, right? But if you go on Photon Soul, it shows obviously the buys and sells, just like everything in the blockchain. But it'll straight up put a little tag if there's an insider sell or a dev sell. And if you're scalping coins and you start seeing a dev sell heavy on Photon Soul, like it would just show up a normal fucking sell on Dex. But on the Photon charts, it shows up as an insider sell or a dev sell, and that saved my ass back in the day when I was scalping coins sometimes.
Yo, can you guys hear me or no?
Yes.
Check
Yeah,
that.
I can, no problem.
I turned
No,
my
I
camera off. I realized I turned my mic off too, and I'm like responding to you like
Extreme
that's how
dot
it
com,
was.
Mr. Chris. You can see stuff moving on the screen like it is there. That's like that little ticker on the bottom. You're good.
I love how Egon just like said, fuck your thoughts. Let me get out to Mr. Chris in the chats who thinks the fucking stream is dead because he's a fucking Momo, dude.
Sorry.
Disregard him, Egon. Okay? Tell him grown folks are talking. Disregard him. Tell him grown folks are talking, bro. Clearly the stream's not dead. This fucking son of a gun him. Jeez. What a fucking idiot. He's out here fucking playing 8-2 offsuit just to take me out. I don't even have a fucking bounty, Mr. Chris. I'm fucking coming for you, bro. You son of a bitch. I love you.
All right, guys. Hey, I'm still on poker, but I'm just gonna mute myself here on stream. I'm giving them 10 minutes, 5 maybe. I'll be right back.
All right, don't hot mic.
Take care, narc. Fucking narc.
You son of a bitch.
Oh man, I love busting balls right now, bro.
I'm gonna start narking your address, bro.
Hey, dog, my shit's gone, dog. Narc that shit.
All right,
Dude,
for real. I'll see you in a few.
All right, bet. Yeah, I might have to fuck around and move at this point. Golly, man. Fucking house is trash, bro. Oh, so sad. All right, come on, Soul. Do your thing. Soul, do your thing.
What were your thoughts that I interrupted, Ghost?
I don't even remember. I was just busting balls. It was only if you were answering anybody else, I'd have been totally cool. But it was Mr. Chris, so I had to bust balls.
But his balls are Estonian, you know? It's not like a regular balls.
Yeah, you know they're fucking oblong. They're oblong. They're what is it? Oh, is it oblong?
Oblong? Yeah, no, I was just
Yeah.
trying to say they're made of stone because he's from Estonia. Stupid joke, but
Yeah, and I was like, yeah, they may be made of stone, but they're oblong, or oblong or some shit. So that's fucking wrong, you know.
they are misshapen. Oh, he said because they're wrong. He spit bars, Mr. Chris. He's gonna get the riz from the Ghost, the host with the most.
Hey, your boy's a G. It's in my fucking name. And I'm a host with a G. Ain't nothing but a G thing.
New track coming from Ghost_AF to be released next Tuesday on New Music Tuesdays.
Dude, you got me fucking ready to start spitting bars and shit. I'm about to go through my phone and find a fucking sick ass track. Did you ever hear my Flintstones fucking rap, dog? That's just the hardest shit.
I need to now, although it may not be the time because the war's going on and I don't need to hear about no Barney or no Rubble.
Hey, I'm about to pull it up. Fuck that. I'm gonna see if I can find it on my page. Flintstone.
I rip and I rhyme. I rhyme and I rip. No, nobody's gonna finish it.
Husky, you just
I didn't know.
Nobody's gonna finish it. Damn it. I'm so old, bro. Dylan.
Oh damn, fucking Chappelle. That's right, dog.
No, that's making the band, dude. Back in the day when he tried to make a hip hop group. Yeah, that dude Dylan.
Yeah, but Dylan was Chappelle who fucking was making fun of him.
Was it?
Yeah.
I thought it was him, bro.
Yeah, David Chappelle was like Dylan. Like that's why that's a meme. He made fun of that dude.
David Chappelle. Yes, absolutely.
I must have been zooted and forgot about it.
Yeah. I'm telling you. I'm looking it up right now to see if I can find mine. Oh, did I find it? No, that's not it. How come when I go to search something on X on my phone, it goes like on my page when I search, but when I try and search on the browser, like the PC, it doesn't search my posts. It searches everything.
Because you have to be all the way out versus in your profile. If it's in your profile, it's going to search your posts. If you go back out to your feed, it searches all of X.
But on my cell phone, I go to my profile and then I hit search and it checks my profile for those keywords. When I'm on a PC, I'm on my profile. I'm hitting search from my profile and it doesn't pull up my actual posts.
Are there not just two search bars? Hold on, I think we have an answer. Right there you go.
Roxy.
There are 5 great rappers in the world. Dylan, and Dylan, because I spit on fire.
Spit on fire. Boom. That was Chappelle right there, right? Come on, man. Hey, Roxy, how come when I search on my phone, if I'm on my profile, it goes right where I want? It searches anything I've ever posted. But when I'm on a PC, if I go to search, it just searches all of X. How do I search just my page?
I don't. How do you search I don't know how you search your own page. I don't even know how to do that on my phone. What are you talking about?
Yeah, if you go to profile and you search, it low key just will put your particular search on your. Oh, I found it. Dude.
It doesn't do that on my phone.
There's 2 search
bars.
bars.
I found it, guys.
How?
I found it. It was in my highlights, bro. Like an idiot. That's all I had to do is go to my highlights. I'm about to show you what it is, bro. You ready for this old school shit I made over here?
See, I don't have that because I'm not paid. Version.
You ready? Old school bars right here. Husky G, man. Listen to the metaphors, man. You ready, dog?
I'm in, bro. Let's go. Send it.
Yeah. Throwing pebbles while you live in a glass house. Bam, bam.
Yo, your boy said throwing pebbles while you live in a glass house. Bam, bam. I'll put the bat to your mouth. That's just first off how I opened it up, dog. Then that homie said bottomless whips while we backing them out. I'm headed to the bank. That's what I'm laughing about. God dang, bro. Where my volume go, man? Okay, volume up. Why you want to play my volume? Y'all can hear it?
While you live in a glass
there we
house.
go.
Bam, bam. Yeah. Throwing pebbles while you live in a glass house. Bam, bam. Put the bat to your mouth. Bottomless whips, and we backing them out. I'm headed to the bank. So we laughing about. We know, got a kilo. Line ain't nothing to do with a free throw. Peep my lingo. Low keto. I'm flyer than a pterodactyl wingo. Wilma, bedrock, and bedrock. I'm a Fred Knot and Betty Bet Knot. She got a long neck, I call her Bronto. Nobody saw us, I got it pronto.
I don't think people understand. The wordplay is one thing, dog. And this was just me fucking around. The D know, we know, got a kilo. And that line ain't nothing to do with a free throw. Peep my lingo. Low key, though, I'm flyer than a pterodactyl wingo. Wilma, bedrock in bedrock. I'm afraid not. I'm afraid not. And Betty, better not. She got a long neck. I call her Bronto, like a brontosaurus. Nobody saw us. I got it pronto. God damn, bro. Like, I'm sorry. I got to run it back, bro. These bars are so dumb, dog.
Throwing pebbles while you live in a glass house. Bam, bam. Put the bat to your mouth. Bottomless whips, and we backing them out. I'm headed to the bank. So we laughing about. We know, got a kilo. Line ain't nothing to do with a free throw. Peep my lingo. Low keto. I'm flyer than a pterodactyl wingo. Wilma, bedrock, and bedrock. I'm a Fred Knot and Betty Bet Knot. She got a long neck, I call her Pronto. Nobody saw us, I got it pronto.
Hey, bro, I'm sorry, dog. But I gotta ride my own coattail on those bars, bro. Those bars are absolutely dumb.
Did you write that?
That was I love I also explained it. I love how you explained it to people as if we had never heard music before. But those bars were
Wait,
awesome.
did you write that? Or is that something else?
No, I swear to God, that was all me. Bro, I
Oh,
swear to
that's
God.
sick.
You like that? See? Roxy liked it. Egon
No,
with your
I'm
small-
here for it.
Thank you, Roxy. You see that?
You're
Egon?
welcome.
It might not sound complimentary. I was 1,000%. But I love that. Come on. I'm the master of puns. You think I didn't like those bars? In what
Hey,
world?
That's what you fail to understand,
No,
though.
that's
You
sick.
picked up on metaphors. You know, most people are like, I don't understand what was so cool about that. Shit. Wilma, bedrock, and bedrock. I'm a Fred Knot and Betty Bet Knot. She got a long neck. I call her Bronto. Nobody saw us. Got it Bronto. God damn, bro. I was killing that verse right there, bro. Like, I promise you, man. That verse right there was low key, well written. I'm just saying, man. I miss the ghostwriting days, bro. Them days were I still write to this day, but damn, I miss the ghostwriting.
That was top notch.
That's
And
top-
I have a feeling like you got to do a lot of more bars. Speaking of bars, look at these bars you just pulled up.
These are the 1 hour bars. These are the 1 hour bars, yeah. Bro, I was writing a verse for the crash course.
It's a good transition. Okay.
Great transition.
Crash course.
I was writing bars for this crash course that we're doing because I was gonna put together some shit. My boy hit me up like, "Yo, dude, like, I want you to jump on this track," and I was like, "Well, shoot it. What is it?" And he just put out a whole album about trading, and on Apple Music and shit. I was like, "Oh shit!" So I hit play, and I was like, "Oh shit!" I started writing to the bars. I was like, that trade talk. Like, there's a deadline. Come on, you love that one. You go on the trade line, the deadline and trade talks. Come on, bro. Trade talk.
I got to be on mute. You got background noise. But I'm almost scared you're going to be racist and say something like VWAP. Hey, all right. I'm just kidding. Go ahead.
These bars Ain't got nothing to do with Fed time. We short when the candlesticks looking like red vines. Golly, as soon as I put those together, I was like, oh yeah, I'm about to tear this shit up. I tell wifey, like, check out these this track by the homie, and she's like, it was all right. It was all right. I was like, and I was just like, all right, dude, I ain't gonna do it then. You know what I'm saying? Like, shit, if I can't get you excited, she's like the best critic in the game, by the way. If she likes your shit, then it's a hit. If she don't like your shit, trash. That's just the way it's been my whole life, bro. I put together over 100 songs, man. She's like maybe like 13 of them. You know what I'm saying? So my greatest hits is I. You know what I mean? My greatest hits is I. Is my point. You know, it's shit's hard, bro, to put together. Shit,
was that one of the 13 that you just played for us on the video?
No. No, but she does like that one though. She likes that one because she was with me when I wrote it. She likes that one because I killed the whole Flintstone. Bro, bottomless whips is stupid, dog. Like that shit right there. It's like, I feel like I captured every moment of what you think of when you think of the Flintstones.
The Flintstones, absolutely. Are you kidding me? And it was like, it wasn't so over the head outside of you literally being inside the Flintstones house or a Flintstones era house.
Well, see, I told the homie, like, I want to be in the Flintstone house. And then when I spit these bars, bro, because I feel like they will go over people's heads, I want you to illustrate it. And then he came with some bunk ass shit. And I was like, give me my fucking shit, bro. And I just like, I never fucked with CapCut before. So I just started fucking with it. And I was just like, all right, I'm over it. You know what I mean? But it was still a quick little, there's certain times, bro, you get called upon to do certain things. There was one of my boys wanted to do this whole like nostalgic, mixtape of cartoons. So we had like Ninja Turtles, we had the Jetsons. Ooh, the Jetsons one was actually kind of dope. Let me see if I can find that one. The Jetsons one was actually really dope.
The whole series, not like a compilation of all the cartoons at the same time, you're saying?
Yeah, like basically like one album, one track on the album would be the Flintstones, another track would be, the Jetsons, and then he wanted to like battle rap that to where he would have to be one of the characters from the cartoon, like on The Simpsons, and then I would be one of the characters on The Simpsons, and we would battle, and then we were gonna like with AI change the people to those particular characters and have it like narrate and illustrate what you're doing. Like even Mortal Kombat, like Scorpion versus Sub-Zero, and I was gonna be Scorpion, he's gonna be Sub-Zero. And again, it'd be like round one, fight. And then it would be just all illustrated. So I'm not even on it. You just hear the voice of me and the bars that I write for, everybody that wanted to be on it. But we just kind of gave up on it. This was a long time ago, bro. Like a really long time ago. But I put together some fucking bars for that shit, bro. Because I actually liked the concept. I thought it would be cool. Oh God, I found it. I found my Jetsons one, bro. I found my Jetsons one. You ready, bro?
Yeah, go ahead.
I got it.
If the album doesn't have a name, you should name it Boomerang. Boom.
Boom. I got it made, but I'm no robot Rosie. Oslo, sitting high, Cosmo OZ, Skypad, make it hard to be low key, launch off the telepad with no key, pedal to the metal in orbit city, Jane shotgun with them pointy ass titties, took my wallet and she left me with a fitty. UFO to you, but a briefcase to me. You kidding me? Elroy and Judy, not the same dog. Astro and Scooby, both Great Danes, but I'm hawking a loogie. This the Jetson type of flow that can move me. Ahead of my time, I'm old school. Metal on my waist like the forklift in me. Eating good. That's why the forklift in me. Bro, I can't even remember how I was spitting this, but to the beat that I have it on, it's so dumb, bro. I got it made, no robot Rosie. Eyes low, sitting high, Cosmo OZ. Cosmo ounce, right? Skypad, make it hard to be low key. Launch off the telepad, no key. Mind you, in the Jetsons, he has a briefcase. This is his turns into his fucking spaceship, and they live in a helipad in Cosmo fucking in Orbit City. So I'm like pedal to the metal in Orbit City. Jane shotgun with them pointy ass titties. Jane had them pointy ass titties on that cartoon, bro. She took my wallet, which this is happening in the opening of all cartoons, you see the same scene always, right? So basically you could play that opening and it would go with this order of everything. So I'm like, she took my wallet and she left me with a kid.
Picks up over the intro.
Yep, you see, he opens up the wallet at that point in the track, and she grabs the fucking, wallet, and he's just sitting there with his $50 left. And that's why I'm like, UFO to you, but a briefcase to me, because I'm basically George Jetson in the bars. And I'm like, you kidding me, Elroy and Judy, because they also come in and take some funds. Not the same, dog. Astro and Scooby. Now this is the crazy thing, because I'm like, we're not the same, dog. Astro and Scooby, both Great Danes. Like, damn, bro. Like, in that part when I was writing, I was like, damn, Astro and Scooby-Doo, they both Great Danes. And I was just feeling so nasty when I was like, we're not the same, dog. Astro and Scooby, but they're both Great Danes. Now I'm hawking a loogie, man. This that Jetson type of flow that can move me. And it was just like, God damn, bro. I wrote one for The Simpsons.
Bro, that shit was fire right there.
My God, dog. I appreciate you, bro. My Simpsons one was sick, bro. I'm not even gonna flex. I don't know if I can fuck, dude. Oh yeah, this was it. I was like, they gonna respect my vocals when this shit gets out. You can't see me with bifocals from Millhouse. Chill out. You can't skate by the oh my God, this shit. Hold on, I gotta read it one time in my head to hear the rhythm I had it on. Respect my vocals when this shit gets out. You can see me with bifocals from Millhouse. Chill out. Can't skate by the board. Can't skate by the This beat is my playground. This is parkour.
Thank you to Jada for gifting us 5 subs.
Thank you,
And we
Jada.
unlocked a new emoji. What?
I said, thank you, Jada.
And I said, good
He's
game.
gifted 15 subs so far. That's amazing. Thank you.
Man, what a beast, man. Good looking, bro. All right, so I said, they gonna respect my vocals when this shit get out. You can't see me with bifocals from Millhouse. Chill out. You can't skate by with Bart's board. This beat is my playground, and this is parkour. Pull up to the crib. Here go the Addy. What I got on my hip come with a loaded Maggie. No diaper, but that shit make your pants saggy. Rolling up a Homer, that mean it's a fatty. This ain't Moe's. You can't go bar for bar. My lyrics will make your hair stand up like Marge. So believe me, this is not a bluff. Holding the toast, but the can that I'm toting is not a duff. Damn it, bro. Believe me, this is not a bluff. I'm holding the toast, but the can that I tote is not a duff. Stop, bro. Moe's bar. This is not Moe's, bro. You can't go bar for bar, bro. My lyrics make hair stand up like Marge, bro.
You lost me at bifocals.
Bro, they're gonna respect my vocals when this shit get out. You can't see me with bifocals from Millhouse. That's like 8 syllables I'm rapping. My vocals gets out, bifocals, Millhouse. That's 10 syllables, dog. Motherfuckers can't touch that. Chill out. You can't skate by with Bart's board. I'm beating up this playground, and this is parkour. Come on, bro. That shit right there is hardcore, guys.
I'm not gonna lie. I feel terrible that I'm. Well, I don't know what state everyone's in, but the fact that I was following all that and caught it all, man. I am usually the last one following the music. But I guess
bro,
It's because you're white. It's okay.
Bro, my biggest problem.
Damn.
My biggest problem when I was with a label, bro, is they said I was too complex, bro. So I was always trying to dumb it down, and it's just too hard for me to dumb it down. I'm like, even if it's like a basic bar, like getting high or sitting low, getting high.
You've been doing a pretty good job so far explaining it to us. I mean, unless they really want. Actually, no, you're 100% correct.
You're just not supposed to have to explain it.
No,
Like,
they want a kindergarten style. Yeah.
Yeah, they're supposed to be able to keep up. Like I remember, bro, I played this track for them and I was like so excited, bro. It was one of the sickest things. I was like, I'll never forget this verse even. It was I'm the shit, no cesspool. You sheep need less wool. So you could follow the leader was eager. Now I got an office full. I'm grinding, but I started with less wool. At times life gets stressful because what I'm doing, I'm holding birds, nestful. Paranoid because I'm blazing, no Clyde Drexel. Face smiling, and it's bezeled. I was going
True
off,
romance
bro.
reference, Drexel.
That's sick, man.
I was going off, bro. And then they were like, that's too complex. I was like, huh? Yeah, I didn't catch any of that. I was like, huh? I'm the shit with no cesspool. You sheep need less wool. So you can follow the leader was eager. Now I got an office full. I'm grinding, but I started with less pull. At times, life gets stressful because what I'm doing, I'm holding birds, a nest full. Paranoid because I'm blazing, no Clyde Drexel. My face smiling and it's bezeled. That shit is fucking bars. What are you talking about? Yeah, it's too complex.
Okay.
Damn. Damn.
Leaving more lines on your head than a corduroy pillow, man.
Hey, I'd sign you, Ghost.
Bro, it's on me, dog. You know what I mean? It's on me, dog. Like, what can I do, man? But I loved, for me, that was like my favorite thing to do was to write. I felt like everything had to be a metaphor or like some kind of like, I just like being deeper with it, you know?
Well, see, if you make it your own or make it on your own, like you're not going to have a label coming in and being like, hey, make it dumber.
Independent artists didn't exist at that point though, bro. Like
I'm saying now, fool.
You said what?
I'm saying now, fool, we need a Lotto more music for this soundtrack. You know what I'm saying?
I mean, bro, like I have bars that I can tweak up and just make it right off the top. Like I don't know, it's crazy, bro. Like even the one that I did with Boo the other day, she just wanted a quick fucking 4 bars. I put that shit together. That shit was hard as fuck on that AI, dog. I was like, what? Like I really did write those bars in literally like 10 seconds and she posted that shit and that video is hard. You know what I'm talking about, right?
I believe it. Yep. Yeah. You legit, and you even explained that's exactly what happened on the space. Here it is, folks.
Movement, and it's not
so hard.
And it's not just a lotto, it's a movement. NFTs on OpenSea, that's a cool mint. Customizable merch that you print. Revenue on revenue on revenue, that's the blueprint. And it's not just a lotto, it's a movement. NFT.
10 seconds, dog. That was 10 seconds. And you know it's good when Boo, see, that was one of the 13 right there, dog. Smash, you know? That was one of the 13, dog. She was down after that. She was like, oh yeah, that shit was cool. She put that shit.
She created it too. Automatically loved it.
So I gotta give her some input. Bro, her track, bro. I wasn't even trying to be funny the other day, bro. Her fucking track, dog, is so fucking hard. Bro, let me see if I can find those lyrics, bro. I was like, what the fuck, dude? Bro, she was just like, go ahead, Roxy.
Have you ever heard Aesop Rock? Not Aesop Rocky. Aesop Rock, the white rapper.
I don't know.
He uses I think he's one of the top rappers that uses the most vocabulary in his shit. But he is so good.
See,
but
that's
he's
hard.
not in the mainstream because you really gotta listen to it to
I'm telling you, bro,
what he's saying. It's deep. It's so good.
It's underground, bro. I think that's the thing about it.
Yeah.
There's lanes, right? It's I grew up with underground hip hop. I had a sister 8 years older than me, a brother 5 years older than me. So I was introduced to hip hop when it first came out. Basically, it felt where it was really popping, and I was into underground shit. All of it was underground. No radio plays, nothing. And so I think that's just why I kind of wrote like that. I never wrote outside of me. I never claimed to be this or that or whatever. It was whatever I did in my life is where my bars came from. But I was always on almost like Jadakiss, where you tell a story, but at the same time you're kind of kicking game, if you will. Or it would be a personal experience I've been through, just mind state. I have a verse there. I was from start to finish, I won't need a hand. I'd rather go upstairs just to meet the man. The cope, I got reefer, man. Same color as Peter Pan. My lyrics is hot, but my hook will eat your clan. See, we the man that you lace your kicks up. Run. We ain't smiling until your face gets fixed up. I warned you, no room for mistakes and mix-ups. Stay off them phones or them jakes will pick up. They'll take you off to jail, which is far from home. Leave your city for nothing like Karl Malone. And when you finally get out, gargle cologne and go on a rampage, straight starving with chrome. Like I have verses like that, bro, where it's like just where I was in that mind state, bro. I remember exactly where I was when I wrote that shit. Then I have tracks that I couldn't even tell you where I was, couldn't even tell you when I wrote it, because you just get in the zone sometimes, bro. Like, bro, I had a production contract with a decent sized label, bro. I was their first hip hop artist. I was opening up for Damian Marley, Nas, and the Distant Relatives tour. Like I was.
All right, so listen, at the Lotto meetup, you and White Boy are up on the stage with the mic. It's done. It's done. Done. I'll MC. You guys do
I'll
all
run
the
the boards.
entertainment. You just fucking just get up there, light it up, entertain. Egon, I want you to control the the dollar bill guns that we're gonna be shooting.
Oh my God. Okay.
Bro, listen to these bars, dog. Again, I don't even know when I wrote this. Oh, now I do. February 19th of 2024, just recently-ish, a year ago. To each his own, it's all relative. And my skin thick, sort of like an elephant. Heaven sent, but I do it for the hell of it. Come on, cuz I got the same blood relatives. Come on, cuz I got the same blood relatives. God dang, bro. Like stupid cuz blood relatives, bro. That people won't understand it until you break it down. Crip, cuz, blood. Come on, cuz I got the same.
Hey, they still won't understand it because it's that fire, bro. Fire. Heat.
Oh, shit. Get punked like a mosh pit. All cuz you judge me on some law shit. You used to move keys like a locksmith until you got caught. You Randy Mossed it. Like, goddamn, bro, I was killing these. Man, I swear to you, bro. Like, I have so many, bro. Like, it's insane, bro. I've recorded over 150 tracks, probably, like 50 different features. And I had a couple songs, bro. Like, so there's a producer named The Rock, not like Dwayne Johnson, but the Rock. And he's with
Ghost, did you find like your old notepad or something?
No. This is just either in my phone or in my head. My notebook,
nice.
I have well over 25 notebooks, 100 count, full, at least, in a trash bag. Literally.
I thought we were having like what's the equivalent to like a white family stumbling on like an old family album or something. Like you stumbled on your old fucking book. I'm like, this is legit.
No, I don't even need to go there, bro. Like that shit, some of that shit's in my brain still, bro. I literally, bro, you can give me one topic and I could probably get in my brain Rolodex and find one of the tracks that touches on that topic. Like that's
all right. We're gonna figure out somehow to turn this into a legit type of competition. Ish. I know we did part of it before, but we got something else. We can think of something else. To be continued.
Nas Book of Rhymes, dude.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I have, bro.
That shit.
Book of Rhymes.
Go back and listen to that, dude, and listen to what you're talking about now. It's wild. Absolutely.
Bro, I'm not gonna lie, bro. Like Nas was a huge influence on me, bro. What? Storyteller.
Me too. Absolutely.
Way he put together his words, he had wordplay. Like what?
One of my favorite MCs of all time, man.
Dude, bro. So imagine opening up for him and fucking meeting him and talking to him on the fucking rooftops, bro, at Crest, bro, and just being like in the thick of it, bro. Like the thing is, bro, I had a local buzz. That's it. Social media, I wasn't even like into social media like that. So when I tell you local buzz, bro, like I performed at damn near every fucking club in Hollywood for 3 days a week, 4 days a week, bro. Like I wouldn't even be there to perform, and then next thing you know, I have a mic in my hand and I'm on their stage performing, like requested. You know, like it was super fucking fun, bro. Boo was there for all of it, dog. She was there for every single fucking performance, bro. I swear to God, every performance I've ever done, she was there. Like she's seen it. It was insane, bro. It was literally insane, and it was like normal. Like to me, it was like I didn't even feel like it was real. Like it was like what? We finally got our first level hit, so I got to trim this like I said I would. We're up 30%. Almost got lost track of time and forgot what I was doing here.
Bro, it blew my mind when you said you were opening up for distant relatives. I was like, oh shit.
Bro, on God, bro.
Like that album was so fire, bro.
Bro, my older sisters like loves fucking reggae, bro. Like Damian Marley was her shit. When I hit her up, like, guess what gig I just got? She's like, what gig did you get? All sarcastic. And I was like, distant relatives tour. She's like, I don't even know what that is.
Oh man.
Bro, Nas and Damian Marley, bro.
I've
like,
seen Junior Gong live like 4
Shit.
times down here, bro. I've seen Steven down here. I've seen Buju, Sizzla. Bro, it's huge. It's huge over here.
She didn't even believe me, bro.
Wow.
She did not believe me. She was like, no fucking way. She was like fucking showed up all early and shit just to be there for it. She was like fucking, that was the first show she ever went to. My sister's like, yeah, he wants to be a rapper. Like, she used to clown me about it. My whole family did, bro. That's what pushed me so hard, to be honest. My whole family's like, oh God. Mind you, I was having fun with music forever. Like, I was a little ass twerp ass kid performing on a karaoke machine in front of my parents and my fucking siblings. And I wrote the bars for my best friend and myself, and we performed it. And one of my sister's ex-boyfriends was there for it. And every time he sees me, he remembers the fucking lyrics, bro. He always sings it when he sees me. He's like, we got to go home. We got to use the phone. Because back then we didn't have like nothing but a pager, you know? It's like, fucking had to really go home to use the phone, bro. Like, and he used to crack up. He was like, dog, that shit was a vibe. Hi, baby. What the fuck is that?
Ew. It says, what exactly is this? Did
That is
someone
disturbing.
dress as a...
I see that, bro. Where you been? Where you been, Shorty?
Hanging out with the kids.
Hanging out. Oh, Beetlejuice. Are we on the final table yet or no?
No, there's still 11 left.
Okay, we getting close. And not a bad take so far, man. Listen, we got our one soul challenge at one soul right now, but we got a decent sized position, about $100 worth, up 35%. As we rejected that exact area I figured we could reject, which was that 12 EMA. On top of that, this 148.96, so essentially 149 has been hardcore resistance. And our first trim was at this first 4-hour support, the 147.19. If we get a little bit more push down, we come down to this area right here, man, that's going to be a solid ass trade for the day. We should be up to like 2 soul if that happens, man. And then we on our way. Right now we're behind schedule. We're supposed to be 13 days to double your account, just earning 5% on the portfolio each day. And this is day, I think this might be day 7 technically. I think we started this 1 to 5 last week, if I'm not mistaken. Monday through Friday, and today's Tuesday, so 7 trading days. And we were at 36% coming into this trade, so we'll see. I definitely have to protect the profits though, so I got to be on a tight leash with this. And if I have to, I can wait to get back in. So we'll trim a little bit more just to be on the safe side, 25%. We'll do 50% of this, which leaves us with 25%. 250% later, we pretty much got a quarter left in it. And that puts us at 1.34. So technically our profits of the day are in this particular trade. That's how we like it. We want to roll with our profits and see if we can make some action here. It's definitely getting some pullback. I'll pay attention to the news, make sure we don't miss anything. I do want to start gearing up for some longs again, because I do believe I'm the optimistic one, man. I believe there's going to be some type of breakthrough. So according to the report, the Islamic Republic has prepared missiles and other military equipment and plans to start with U.S. bases in Iraq. That's bearish. See, this is why I stopped fucking with him, man. Look, this is why I stopped fucking with him. Like, you're corny. For real. No disrespect, but I can't. Trump calls on Iran, Iran to surrender. That don't mean nothing. The end of the world is here, says this dude. The closest Papa John's and Pizza Hut to the Pentagon have both surged in traffic. Mark? A volcano in Indonesia erupted 14 hours ago. That's wild as fuck looking. Do you see this here?
Look at this.
Is that a sword down her throat?
Something glowing.
What the fuck? She got a lightsaber. I think Egon would love her. Egon would love her.
He would. Should I tag him?
Yeah, tag him. You're gonna get tagged by Boo right now, dude. We found your secret crush.
Ooh. Let's do it.
Brody, I missed this yesterday. Did you guys see this? This is crazy. That's a volcano, bro. Look at that thing.
What?
In Indonesia, bro. I don't know if it's real because everything damn near AI nowadays, but it look real. They got a bunch of different angles.
Pantau dari Posko Bokang.
I mean, they got enough angles for me to believe that in Indonesia. I bet.
Everything's insane.
Bro, that looks like Armageddon, bro.
Yeah, also, like, how close is that to the town? Like, are we having another Pompeii action?
Honestly, I don't know. I don't know, bro. Look at this. Bro, during this talks, if you didn't tell me that was Indonesia, bro, I'd be like, oh, dog. You see that?
Right.
Shit?
Correct.
Look at
Yeah. Oh, no, it's on an island. You can see it out there. There's all the water.
Yeah, it's far enough away. You got water in between you and all that shit, it looked like, but golly.
That won't stop the lava going over. I mean, there's some crazy stuff.
Man, these ones
Just
always
ask the
kill
people.
These ones always kill me to fuck around and find out. Oh, God. Tailbone gone. Oh, God. Why is it frozen? Oof. Oof. Oof.
Oh, Sherry says it was Lucky erupted.
Oh, was it?
I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly.
This is hilarious. Boxy, you want to know if Chris is still in? I guarantee you he ain't in still.
What?
He is.
You asked if Chris was still in. I said, I guarantee you he ain't
He
in.
is. He just took like 3/4 of my chips just a few hands ago.
With what, 8-2?
No.
Like he got me.
No, it was like, I forget what it was. It's all good.
He said,
Are we at the final
He got one on me. I got one on him.
Get his ass back, dude. Oh, he's chip leader. Don't expose me.
Yeah, I'm low man on the totem pole right now.
It's okay. You won one double up away, man. That's what that is. Why does it always show me my own post? Like I want to see that on the timeline, man. I finally get to the timeline, man. Hey, we got the Eclipse ball next. Is that what got voted on? Let's go.
Oh, congrats, Husky.
Congrats, Husky. Yeah, it was my
Yeah,
first vote.
Husky.
Yeah, bro.
man.
Yeah.
Like, his comment was like, "Oh, I got this on lock" or something. As soon as he made it, and I was like, "Yeah, he does."
Holy shit! Did you guys see that?
It's so cute.
What? The volcano? The poker table? What are we talking about, Massimo?
The poker table, dude. My phone fucking died. First of all, I had like 10,000 chips, and I went all in, and the next thing I know, I got 55. And then my shit froze, and I have no idea what happened, but apparently I lost a hand because I was down to 35,000. Okay. And then I just went all in with 22K and fucking hit it straight. Stacked up at 90. Just in time. The phone turns back on just in time for me to play that hand.
Oh, I thought you were all in against just in time.
No, I mean I was short stacked anyway. Like so, anyone that went all in with me is still on the table.
Oh yeah, you're halfway. You're 6 out of 11 right now.
Yeah. Damn, what a reversal. I don't know. I mean, tonight might be my night.
Yeah, that tells me it's coming for you.
First of all, I helped him catch the bad guys, and all is well in life now.
So crazy. That's scary. I'm like a puddle, you know, people try to jump and splash.
Make sure you get into the group.
See, that's so scary.
But I'm so confused. Are we fighting Iran or not? Like, I see both answers, like, all over everything.
Like this, ready? This sums it up real well right around here, watch. Senator Tech, we're carrying out military strikes today. Israel is leading them. The U.S. is supporting them. So we're giving them tools, and they're the ones acting it out for it. So, I mean, it's definitely raises some suspicion to me personally. I mean, we definitely might as well be. I mean, however you want to call it. I mean, who knows?
Whose latest post? No, it was an hour ago when she did the bounty. I didn't realize that. It just showed up on my thing.
Which one?
Her bounty post.
Whose bounty post?
Boo. She put out a post when she offered up the bounty for Motown.
Yeah. Where is it? I didn't see it yet.
Just tag it.
Hold on, let me like this.
DM you the post.
No, I'm on her page. I'll find it.
Oh, you got it. Okay. 9:09 p.m.
I'm over here liking my own comments on accident, dude. Jesus.
It's okay. Nobody can see them now. So you don't look as corny.
Nerd.
Wait, this must be in her replies or something.
Right there. Not that, right there.
This one's good too, though. You saw this? This is Egon's girl right here. That's a lightsaber. Look at lightsabers, it right there. That's Egon's wifey right there, dude. See the lightsaber? Jesus.
How?
It's like a sword swallower.
No. Stop it.
You never seen a sword swallower?
I've definitely seen a sword swallower. I thought
lightsaber is a different adds a different dimension to it though. Like it's almost like so impressed that it's not even sexual.
It's optical illusion, right? The fact that it lit up like her throat from the inside. Like,
I kind of am wondering if she put it in another hole, would it light up through her down there?
Well, no. Look,
you know what? I bet you there's a show in Amsterdam that would do it.
You would.
I've never been there. I've been there.
Testing those theories.
You know what's hilarious? So my best friend growing up in Chicago actually married my wife's sister. Like it couldn't be better, man. Couldn't be better. And they're like off the boat. Like he's a refugee from Croatia. So I grew up with their community, and you know we travel Europe together and everything. It's amazing. So anyway, they actually fucked up one of their flights. Something had a layover. And ended up getting redirected to Amsterdam, and they had like 24 hours. So like, what the fuck are we gonna do? And my buddy was like joking around. He's like, let's go to a live sex show, you know, and just joking. And his wife was like, yeah, fuck it, let's go. So they got shit-faced drunk, like literally in one of those shows, just sat there, like the whole time. It was like it's like unlike anything. But
what?
Definitely,
like
didn't see any lightsaber tricks, but you know what? You could be an entrepreneur, you can.
There are people far well ahead of me online doing those tricks. But maybe if we something else, I'm gonna think on this. Do you find that post yet, Ghost?
He's determined.
The dev of the decade.
Yeah. I had actually reposted it and everything already. I just sent it to the.
I missed it. I was laughing my ass off. Like, Freaking Wolverine. That's so good.
Bro, she was so mad. She's like, fuck it, let's run it. I was like, all right, let's do it, dude. I'm trying to find this war talk, dude. I can't find nothing. White girl is going viral for spitting bars.
Real life got that.
It doesn't sound like a white girl.
Oh, snap.
Let's hear it.
That sounded like Iggy.
Let's grade her.
Hey, bitches getting way too fucking bold behind these ghostwriters. Do I need
Oh, she got like a Texas swing, dog. What the fuck?
to remind you bitches that I rap for real? Like real life got that pen. Like real life ain't need no ghosts for real.
She don't need no ghost because
Dude, that sounds like Iggy. What?
she need a ghostwriter for sure.
Yeah, I don't like girls that sound like this.
That pen like
She really live in Texas though, so maybe it's why.
real life ain't need no ghosts for real.
Tell her, wifey, you can't have me any. Tell her you can't have me anyway.
Hey, Roxy, you say Iggy?
I really rap.
You don't know what's funny? So Iggy's actually a hall pass, but not my choice, my wife's choice. And she said it's a hall pass, but she said she's got to be there. And so that's fine.
You say Iggy?
I mean, I can see why.
Iggy Azalea.
That's fair. That's fair.
God,
Yeah, she gave me a hall pass with her, but she has to be there as well. I'm like, yeah, great, no problem. How many more of those do you want?
Them cheeks, bro.
You know what's funny is we used to go every single year to the Billboard Music Awards, stay at the fucking what the hell is it? In the Sky Lounge up in the what the hell is the wherever that big outdoor club is, like the water park club. And goddamn, I can't think of the name of the hotel. MGM maybe, I don't know. Fuck.
You guys ready?
In Vegas.
You ready to judge this? This MGK looking chick.
Mini Iggy.
Country bitch, Detroit, let her hop in a brand new strip. I hold her like a doing the lights. Red post give a fight to see her. Been eating no bitches, no lesbian. It don't impress me to see no little girl with some diamonds. 12K purse, but the shit on my granny. My son ain't home my chain, but the shit still bling. Ain't throw a couple dollars on a bitch. Need to get a new tits. Whole can't speed team. Need to make her put her money where her mouth is. Bitch, I'm Kentucky. I wait to Atlanta. White bitch, no bell. I can show you what the South is. Pussy sweet home family. He want spray, but a see her missed on camera. That mean ain't shit sweet, but it's cool. 30 round Ruger turn a bitch to a dancer. I know a bitch so fine, make a straight hoe look twice, turning by curious. She love a bad bitch, she love stalking, see her Shane gay, but she make George curious. The bitch think she hard and she serious, hoes on whiskey, dick, I ain't hearing it. Knock a bitch down like a traffic cone, do the redneck slide like fast and furious. Go through the bitch like a native, like a ruly ass teenager. I'm throwing my way around that bitch. She on the beat, then she spaz. I don't need no ghost, I'm believe it's supernatural. Red ass, that's natural. Body getting red, bitch, that's factual. Fuck a little light red beefing with a walking dead looking ass bitch. I believe it's supernatural.
No, I wasn't impressed at all, to be honest. I really wasn't. I'd have to hear like more songs to be impressed with that. She's fucking talking shit about ghosts and she don't believe in supernatural and shit. The fuck out of here, dude. The fuck? Right. Fucking right.
Don't ever play her again just for that reason alone.
The way she ends some of her words and like
We
this
don't
little
believe in her.
twang that she has, like it's like a wannabe Iggy. That's all I heard.
What trips me out about Iggy is when she talks, she like all of a sudden her accent's gone. Like it's very weird to me.
Yeah, it is weird.
It's very bizarre to me.
She's Australian. She came here and then got a fake
Right.
accent.
Australian and then comes off like kind of hood when she raps, and then I just don't understand what I see. But there's been a couple songs that I liked of hers. I'm not gonna hate that hard, but that's about it. Like literally, that's about it.
And for the record, the dog that we have was named after a bush, not Azalea.
Yeah, I don't know.
And not Iggy Azalea Bush.
What do you mean? There's somebody named Iggy Bush?
No, there's just a
No,
bush.
there's a bush called Azalea.
Oh, Azalea. I thought you guys, for whatever reason, also had a dog named Iggy, and I just got
Iggy Bush, this bitch.
Too many pets. We named one of the ferrets Iggy. No.
Yo, I don't like this, you guys. I don't like this comment. There's a surprise tonight that the world will remember for many centuries. Like, I don't like the way they said that.
What? That doesn't.
Oh, I
that's
was
not
gonna
the
ask y'all
official.
something.
Doesn't look
Dude,
fake.
propaganda videos
That's just
from Middle
Can
Eastern
you?
countries are so terrible. Pay
But
them
this
no mind.
town goes hard, bro. They're like, hi, can I
Yeah, still.
like fucking bomb them? I'm like, what are you doing, dude? It's so
Yeah, man. They're
disrespectful.
all
I've
over it.
I've seen so many of them.
I was gonna ask y'all something. I've noticed. I've watched, of course, several videos that are all over Twitter of like missiles hitting shit and stuff. But what I've noticed is in every fucking video I've watched, there's no one screaming, no one crying, no gasp of shock. Like it, even when it's like hitting near like where they're filming at. I don't. What?
You want to see why? My boy lives in
Why?
Tel Aviv. My boy lives in Tel Aviv. For 4 years, they've been getting bombed by either Hamas or something random. This Iron Dome has been fucking stopping bombs for like 4 years straight. They literally are immune to it.
That's true.
Every single fucking, like my boy tells me, bro. And we've been on lockdown right now. Like, what does that mean? Like the airports are shut down, everything's shut down. They go in their bunkers and they just kick it there for a hot minute. And these bunkers are on like the 13th floor and shit to the 12th floor, 11th, 10th, all the way down is just a column of straight up like a safe, a giant safe. And every fucking one of them has it. Every single building has them. You just hop in your bunker and you just kind of bunker down.
Yeah.
And go on your patio and you film shit. And then all of a sudden, like, oh, that shit's close. Okay, let me get back to the bunker. Like, it's so crazy, bro. It's a trip. It's an actual trip.
It's a wild way to live, man. I pray for them people.
Yeah.
Wild as fuck, bro. What's up, Timbo?
Oh, you know me, baby. Just sliding about the space, trying to find some alpha. What y'all got going on?
We chilling, playing poker tonight. Just playing poker tonight, kid.
That dude. Hey, that dude with the glasses right there, I'll whoop him, bro.
Which one?
That one screaming, I'll whoop him, punch him straight in the throat. You know what I'm talking about?
Bro, his beard would just uppercut you back, bro, without a shot.
Nah, I got a gun for people built like that, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
I ain't gonna lie. Did you see this AI video? Anybody see this?
Community reaction has been mixed. I'm not saying they're all bad or clear left. Kenna loaded. Earlier this morning, ICE agents raided several homes in this neighborhood, detaining at least a dozen chihuahuas. Community reaction has been mixed. I'm not saying they're all bad or that they deserve cages, but ever since the raid, the barking stopped. The neighborhood's been a lot quieter. Clear left. Kenna loaded. Earlier this morning, ICE.
What's wrong with people?
Jesus Christ.
It's so ridiculous, man. What's wrong with people, dog? Like someone thought and then did it and executed it. Like
that's not even funny, dude. Send me the link to that, Ghost.
I
can't believe I gotta report that. Send me the link.
I can't believe it. Send me that link.
Yeah, I can't. I don't. Yeah, I just need to let people know that is not to be tolerated. Is there any way you can send me that?
I got you. I got you, bro. I got you, bro.
Bro, I seen one where it was like, I don't know, it was like a 12-year-old kid and he was doing an interview and he was like, he had a full-on mullet and he was drinking a Mountain Dew and he was like, if they tell me I need to go to LA and put on an ICE uniform, I'll do it right now. I'll ride my bike over there. I was like, oh my God, bro.
So bad, bro. It's so bad. It's so bad. Are we at the final table yet or no? Final table
Hey,
up yet?
I seen y'all in the
table.
Sherry was, I think Sherry said we're at the final table.
We are. Yeah.
Look at this. They tried to say Israel just bombed itself. Breaking Israel just bombed itself. Oh, man. Don't false flag us now, dog. Don't do it to us. All right. You said, yeah, it is.
Yeah, it is. Final table.
Trade, bro. Damn. Okay, we still up a little bit. Fuck, man. Forgot about my trade, bro. We came right down to the level, to the fucking penny again, pretty much. Jesus.
Hey, how much or what you paid top 5, top 6?
Top 5, because there was less than how many people were there? less than 50. So top 5, yeah.
Tits.
Where is it? Let me pull it up right now for everybody to see. Okay.
I know most of you don't watch hockey, but damn, Florida Panthers are putting a whooping on Edmonton right now. 5-0. You're gonna win the
Yeah, I
Stanley Cup,
thought
go
maybe
back
it
to
was
back.
be a nice little comeback, but don't look
Yeah.
like it's happening.
Nah, not now, bro.
Mm.
Players, tables, open table. Okay, present. Where is it at, bro? Why isn't it trying to let me present it, bro? So goofy sometimes how it does that, bro. Like I can see the final table right here and don't want me to let me present it, bro. Like acts like it's not even an option. That's so corny, man. I forgot how I had to do it last time, but I think I had to actually exit off of it and then do it again, man. Close it down, shut it down, open up shop. Oh, no. That's how Rough Riders roll. All right, let's see if that works. Hey-o. There's your final table, players.
I'm short stacked like a motherfucker in it. But I also feel like I have been all game until I'm not.
So why don't you just stop fucking mothers then, dude? And you won't be so short stacked like a motherfucker, dude.
You are not.
When you say it like that, I don't know if I want to.
Where's Mr. Chris at? He's still chip leader, huh? Okay, Mr. Chris. Roxy, you said something? I could have sworn I heard Roxy just say something. Y'all can hear me still? I don't know, man. Who took out Motown?
Yes. Yeah, we can hear you.
Who took out Motown?
I don't know. I hesitate to think it would be Mr. Chris.
It better not have been Mr. Chris, bro. I swear I'll fight him if so. Right, man?
I
On
mean,
the final table.
Mr. Chris is kind of always had my back.
Bro, he took me out tonight with 8 and a 2. Fuck him. Tell him. Say fuck him, dude. I call your raise and I go all in, Mr. Ghost, with 8-2 off suit, and then he wins, dude.
Oh, shit, I'm all in.
Oh, let's go, Massimo. He's all in. Let's go double up off this little clown, Mr. Chris.
My daughters are watching right with me right now, like over my shoulder, intense as fuck.
Go, girl. Put the good vibe out for your pops. Let's go. We don't like Mr. Chris right now.
Mr. Chris, I don't think there's a bounty on Stevie because we didn't host the last game.
Hold on, ladies.
But
yeah, there's no bounty on anybody except for
I
whoever.
appreciate you thinking there are. Yeah, the only one is the one
Total pot is
Boo put out on
90,000
that.
chips.
Are you wrong with
Rooster.
that?
So I'm either going to be out and lose
Or no, excuse me, Motown.
or get a lot.
Yeah, I'm rolling with Dante tonight.
Come on, Crypto Cat, just do it. Do it.
Mr. Chris is all over X. He's like, RG put one out. Check his post. There's a bounty on me too.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that RG put out 3.
Word.
But I still
see them for the bounties.
I'm gonna tell RG not to pay him, bro, because he won with 8-2, dog. I'm gonna tell him don't pay anyone that wins with 8-2 ever again, dog.
Oh, that was the stipulation, right? Like when you win with 6-9, you can't, right? You get awarded if you win with 8-2. That's the reverse.
You owe.
I like it.
You owe. Yeah, if you take someone out with your cards don't even combine to 10, then you owe. You owe.
Hey guys, I think I'm just fine.
I think I'm just fine.
Actually, only time will tell.
Ace 10?
That's great.
Jack. Hey yo, game time, son. Double up, double up. See that,
Let's
Mr.
go.
Boom, baby.
Yeah.
You guys hear that reaction? You guys hear that reaction?
Dude,
Love that, dude.
the first
Love
time
that.
I've heard a multiple people reaction like that, at least that I've heard all life.
Hey, that was literally like no shit, guys. That was like 90 seconds ago. My oldest daughter, what'd she tell me? You said
I told you to do.
no. You told me, yeah. You said you wanted me to go all in like that other guy.
Yeah.
But what'd you say before that when you saw how many chips I had?
I don't know what I say.
You said you felt bad for me.
Oh.
I was like, thanks, girls, but this is the final table, ladies, so it's a win already. I was like, and don't worry about it, I got this. She's like, I want you to go all in like that guy. And I'm like, not this hand. She's like, that one? I'm like, yes.
Hey, let me tell you like this, bro.
AirPod to see what does.
Do you know how often Mr. Chris doesn't get paid in this game? Very often. He will go out 6 or worse, is my prediction. He will not get paid. You'll see. Watch, he'll call this with nothing but like an 8-2 offsuit. Check him out. Watch. Here he goes. He's thinking about it.
He's listening to you and talking shit to you in the chat before he does whatever he does in the game.
Yep.
Obviously, a comment first.
Yep. The irony, a person named Dumbass is going to take him out. See, he thought about that with 10-7. You see what I'm talking about? He even showed how good my hand is. Hey, Telemiro had the 6-9. Let's go.
All right.
Mr. Chris, man, just
Look
calling
at what I
out.
just saw in the Daily Loud.
Is that real?
Yes.
Wow. Wow. What kind of username is that too to top it all off? That's just creepy, bro. Look at Mr. Cruz. He's just killing it, bro. It's just jack, pair of jacks. He didn't even care if someone had an ace. He's like, I got the clubs in the back door too. He's out here, bro. He's ready to go, dog. Mr. Chris, man, where you at, bro? I got Massimo or Dante tonight. Maybe even Goofy. Actually, even dubious traders. We got some good cats in here. Crypto Cat, Telemiro. Goldfish, man, he's all in, man. What you gonna do, Goldfish?
Hey, my daughter over here is telling me to turn the keys over to her and let her play.
Smart girl, dude. You probably play a lot better than your dad because you'll stay awake.
Son of a bitch, I can't even argue that. He's told me I've fallen asleep and playing poker.
Son of a bitch, I can't even argue that.
Mr. Chris, is it time what for me to double up my shit again? You know how many times I've been small stacked at a table tonight? Like I just can't lose. It's manifested.
Oh shit. He's gonna put you all in right now, I'll let you know that much.
Yeah, I hope he does. He has no idea. Go ahead, please. Go ahead, Mr. Chris. I don't have shit, Chris. Thank you, though. I at least wanted to be able to play that.
Which one's Ghost?
I'm not on here, unfortunately. I got beat by an 8-2 offsuit thanks to Mr. Chris.
Oh wait. Did you just ask Ghost where his green jacket is tonight?
If you look at the screen, you'll see that my bronze jacket's right here, 3rd place overall. That's right.
This is the live stream. I'm trying to remember. Where am I at on here? I can't be anywhere. It's super high.
Actually, you fell asleep and made the final table and got 5 points that game. It was brilliant.
Well, that was actually, I think that was 3 of 4 in a row that I did, or 2 of 3 in a row.
Yeah.
2 out of 3, excuse me.
For the World Series events, that was the first time you got to the final table, and all it took was you falling asleep to make it, bro. It's
For the World Series, yes. That was the Friday night. That sucks too, man. I was fucking stacked. God damn.
Yeah, you were. Come on, Dante, take him out.
Hey, Mr. Chris, I heard you say, is it time? My daughter's got something for you real quick.
You're going down.
That's right, Chris.
Yes, girl. Let's go.
Ooh, wicked burn.
Let's go. You know it's bad. We got kids talking shit to you, Mr. Chris. You better do better.
Hey, that's all love right there, Chris.
It's American love.
Lost girl, dude. Over to the moon, Mr. Chris. Yeah. You might as well put Lost Girl underscore Mr. Chris, dude. What, you like his Riz or something,
Hey,
bro?
they just asked if you've ever seen any cavemen.
Get out of here.
No, I'm just kidding. I just made that up from because I just saw it. What was that movie the other day? The caveman movie. No, not the Crudes. That's a good one though. But the other one with Pauly Shore.
I don't know.
Oh yeah, that's the.
And they kept saying the caveman was from Estonia.
It's Encino Man.
Yes.
I said Tarzana. It's called Encino. I said Tarzana. That's another city bias. I said Tarzana. This shit was Encino, man.
No Weezing the Jews.
Bro, that whole movie was filmed right in my neck of the woods, bro. It's just so
Don't
funny.
wheeze the juice.
Oh yeah. And the main character was from Estonia.
That would be a funny movie to watch. Or no, I don't know. It might not because they do talk about Betty Nugs.
Yeah. I can't believe Lost Girl's out here repping Mr. Chris tonight, dude. So angry with that right now, dude. Are you lost, ma'am? Do you need me to help find you for a sec, dude? What is that? Tell her, boo. What the heck, dude? She's rooting for Mr. Took me out tonight.
Who?
Lost Girl.
It's a bullshit hand.
All those girls are.
All of us girls are maybe secretly? What is there? Some secret chat with all the girls that are rooting for Mr. Chris just so I get angry tonight? Piss off, you blokes. How about that? Let's go.
You just made my girls laugh, Ghost. Thank you.
Let's go, girls. Tell them what's up, dude. We want Goldfish, Dumbass, or Telemiro to win this
Hey,
hand.
all right. I'm gonna open it up real quick to the panel up there, okay? Because the girls are asking me all these questions about you guys, so I feel like it's only fair that we allow you guys to ask one question to them. Anything like you want to try to exploit me on something, or you want to try to get something deep, whatever you want. Go ahead. Just be honest, girls.
Wait, what do I say? Who I want to win?
No, saying whatever question they ask you, as long as I say it's appropriate, answer.
Okay.
Is it true that your father is a narc?
What's a narc?
He's talking to the police, so there's no lie detected. That's what Maya called me. She said that's
that I talked to the police, and I shared videos with the police. Ouch.
And I shared videos with.
Yes.
Oh, Mr. Chris.
I feel like you wasted an opportunity there, but yeah, they confirmed.
I'm voting for someone else, I think.
I didn't have anything. I just had to get something off the cuff like that, dude. I didn't have any. I didn't even get a chance to think about it. You know, I didn't want you put me on the spot, dude.
You know what? Let him marinate. In the meantime, my daughter just told me that she actually thinks someone else at the poker table is going to win besides me. Who is that? Go ahead, Maya.
Dumbass.
All right, she just used that as an opportunity to say dumbass. That's it.
Smart girl.
Hey, should I go all in or no with this hand?
Yes, go again.
I agree. I totally agree. It's
All in. Mr. Chris will call all of you guys.
I had to make sure she was actually a good poker trader because there's no way you don't go all in on that hand.
Trader. Okay.
Ace 5 suited, huh?
Oh my God! Please.
He would have taken you out with trip fours.
Hey,
no.
Like I said, it is manifested, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah.
Like, you know how Ghost always talks about, speak good to yourself? Yeah, that's right. That's right.
Right there.
It's already done, girl.
It's in the stone. It's in the stars. It's already written.
It's like it was the first year I was trying out for it was the junior Olympic team, right? And I remember I was like nervous, and I'm sitting there and I was like, I'm not nervous. Like, I don't get nervous. I just prayed for a second. And I was like, shit, God, we got this. I went over there. I borrowed like one of my buddy's parents' phone. I called my parents. I said, hey guys, guess what? Like, what? I said, I made the team. They're like, are you shitting me? I'm like, yeah, no. I was like, we're going to go. I was like, we're going to have some food. I'll call you after. And then I walked in there into the tryout. So I literally called my parents and told them I made the team before I fucking even tried out, because that way I knew I couldn't fucking lose.
Yeah, they also stopped worrying themselves, so you killed it with that.
Done. And then for 2 hours when they couldn't get a hold of me, I told them what happened, and they're like, "Are you fucking kidding me?" I'm like, "No, but I did get it though."
I did get it. Crypto Cat all in with a 5-6. That's interesting, man. Why play so good until now, Crypto Cat? There's literally the bubble. The next one out doesn't get paid. You did all of this hours of work, man. 2.5 hours in just to do that. Why, Crypto Cat? Why? Oh, look at Lost blocking us now. Look at this. Mr. Chris, Mr. Chris, Mr. Chris, Mr. Chris. It's not the Candyman, dude. He's not going to show up at your house and rescue you, girl.
I was saying you needed a timeout, Ghost. You were going wild.
Ghost, have you
Then
heard the
StreamYard
saying,
kicked
be
me
nice
out,
until
so
it's
you
time
might
not to
right.
be nice?
No, I'm being mean right now because she's rooting for someone who beat me with an 8 high, dog.
Oh, shit, you're talking about, wait, who's rooting for someone?
Lost girl.
Everybody is. Even my wife just said it.
Andrew. Yeah,
All
you're
of
right.
us girls are rooting for him.
All right, ladies. Hey, pick someone on this table that you want me to take out and be smart. Say their name.
What? Tell me everybody's name.
So Dante Bluffs, Mr. Cribs, Dubious Traver, Dumbass, and Crypto Cat.
Take out. No, I.
Who do you want me to take out?
Dumbass.
Oh.
Lena,
Go.
who's your pick?
Hey, Crypto Cat went out 6, I think. Short stack 6, 7.
Good job, Dubious.
You see, Mr. Chris, he shows a pair of 2s.
Mr. Chris.
Did you hear that, Chris?
Now let's go.
Mr. Chris.
She said take out Mr. Chris.
Family orders, Mr. Chris. Sorry for what's coming your way.
All right, Chris. Sorry, girl. Sorry, bro. My girls want you down.
She said,
hey, it's nothing personal. It's just business.
Time to take him out back.
Let's go. Hey, congratulations to Mr. Dumbass, aka Goofy. And of course, the 4 still in the game. Y'all 5 are getting pizzade. Dubious Trader coming in hot.
You know what? This is a tough one here. I'm not gonna lie. It's actually pretty easy.
Oh, Mr. Chris, he's ready to give up some chips.
Guys, like I said, it's literally fucking manifested in the goddamn night. Someone call me. All of you call me.
Oh my God, did his pocket 9s or ace 9 hit? What happened? Mr. Chris, call him.
Call me, Chris. My girls want you out. I can't get you on this one, but I'll get you next one. These extra chips will help.
You're only delaying the inevitable, Mr.
Chris,
Chris.
just give me your
orders
chip.
take precedence.
Why don't you give me your chips, Chris?
Come on, dude.
Q9, I knew it. Oh, wow.
Look at my chips, girls.
Let's go.
I hope you're all still on stream tonight because what you're witnessing is the true history of manifestation.
Manifestation.
It's amazing how many times we've legit seen it.
Hey, Ghost, after I win this game, will you send this stream to your buddy? Remember the poker guy you're talking about that talks his way out of shit and be like, look, this is how you do it, man. Like textbook. Charge him for it. Hey, charge him for it though, okay?
Bro, I got 2 boys that played off.
It's free online, but charge for
living at Bitcoin, dog. It's insane, bro.
It's free right now for Dante, Chris, and Dubious. So let's roll.
Oh man.
Yeah, just take out Mr. Chris next, bro. I want to see him fucking fall, dude. And then I want to laugh, dude.
Hold on. Can I pause for this quick commercial break?
Yeah, Mr. Chris, shouldn't you come up here?
You're going down, bitch.
Oh, what?
Oh,
Whoa.
Did you hear her start, dog? You're
Hey,
going
I'm
down.
gonna be honest. I think the little one felt like she could get away with that because my oldest tricked me into that, and I'm not gonna ruin this vibe right now.
No,
But do that again, and it's backhand forehand.
Let's go, Dante.
All right, Dante. I thought I misheard her, Massimo. I thought she was saying they were going down to the beach. I misheard. That was my fault.
No, that's exactly what they said. This is live. This is live, and
yeah, summer vacation. I know.
I heard it.
Yep.
Yeah.
Who's the narc now? I heard it, bro, with my own ears.
Hey, speaking of, ladies, you ready to go back to the beach? Should we go swing by and see Motown on the way?
How about Italy?
How about Italy?
Next year.
How about Italy? Dude, look at Mr. Chris. All of a sudden, second to last stack, bro. Just like I told you guys, dude. You play with 8-2, bro, and you get stung, dog. It's a matter of time, bro. Mr. Chris says he's gonna knock your papa out, bro. He said you're gonna.
Chris, I'm gonna have to ask you to stop talking like that.
Yeah, bro. I will elbow drop you. You talk to Massimo's kids like that again, dog. I will elbow drop you, dog. He's over here flirting with Baby Yolo. Hey, I see you, Lasco. Mr. Chris out here flirting with her. Hey, I see you.
All right, Chris. I'll
see
give
you.
all the other stuff. I'll give all that other stuff a pass just because you're spitting game.
He is. He's trying, bro. Don't give him a pass.
Game recognized game, bro.
No, there's no passes tonight for Mr. Chris. It's everyone against him right now. Let's go, Dubious. Let's go, Dubious. 5-6, 2-5. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Look at that. What?
Good game, Dubious.
Wow.
King 3.
Fuck, I didn't even see he had a King 3. I should have known this fucking hand.
I was like, are you fake clapping? You trying to fake someone out here?
Hey, good try, Dubious. Good try.
I mean, it sucks because Chris can't even spell poker.
Oh,
He can't.
you hear me?
He can't.
Ooh,
Come on, Massimo.
interesting.
What's up,
Hold on,
Goofy?
hold on, ladies.
Congrats
I'm in
on
my
stuff.
zone here.
What's going on, guys? Yeah, thanks. The blinds were so huge.
Yes, I remember this betrayal.
Yeah, that's too funny.
I had to go in with
We
an
just
opening
choked
and
our way
straight.
all the way through. There wasn't shit there.
Ace high. Smart.
Can I ask a question? My oldest daughter would like to know if she can ask a question, Ghost.
Done.
Is it my?
It's appropriate.
Yes, ma'am. Go ahead.
How many years have you been doing stocks?
6 years.
Jeez.
Give or
Maybe
take.
like one.
Just 1
Close.
year?
Yeah.
Hey, I'm gonna suck at them, dude.
But you've been doing stocks for a year, Maya. Well, actually, no, longer than that. Because remember when Daddy used to have all of his computers downstairs for a long time?
Yeah.
Do you remember the one stock that you told me to pick and put money into? What was it called? Do you remember?
Mine was Roblox for my kids, dog.
It was your name.
Maya?
Yeah. MAIA. And by the way, go ahead one day when you're bored and look up Maya, like biotechnology stock a few years back, and go ahead and see what happened a few years ago at one point. I
Hey,
put
we
$100 into it for her.
We did it on a live stream when you told us about it. I was like, dang.
Oh yeah, shit, I forgot about that.
Yeah.
So you've known.
Oh my god, that's fucking hilarious, man. God, my memory sucks sometimes.
Dad, you've known him for a year?
Yeah, remember when we were when you have your Phantom wallet when you were in Italy? That was Ghost, one of the guys we were talking to.
Yep, sure was. Did a little over a year ago on Spaces. Your dad was the first person I gave my cell phone number to online, bro. How funny is
You hear
that?
that? Do you think I'm a trustworthy person?
Yes. Oh my gosh, why would you ask that question?
My daughter's insulted.
Yeah, I have a question.
You have a question too? All right, hold on. Do we want to get back here for a minute and then come back to this question, or you got time for one more question, Ghost?
I want to hear it.
Yes, ma'am. Fire away.
Okay. What? You say. Lena wants to know why you guys are so loud and obnoxious.
Because Mr. Chris took me out.
And
She's mostly talking about me, guys.
yeah, some of us are like your dad. We're all Italian.
Yeah, Egon here is Professor Dr. Egon is Italian.
How dare you?
Oh. Hey, what did you guys find out today about Italy?
It looks like Croatia.
She said it looks like Croatia, dude. Come on, Massimo, take him out. Massimo, take him out. It's on you.
Yeah. Hold on one second. I'm deep in a hand here, babe.
Fine. Don't give it.
Man, my phone glitched for a second. All right, let me see here.
Uh-oh.
Well, that doesn't hurt me at all either.
Yes, baby. Ship it.
That's right. All right, go ahead, ladies. Say what you're gonna say.
Okay.
talk? Can you do me a favor?
Yeah.
Do me a favor. You're talking like you're 3 years younger than you are, right? Like raise it to the Lena voice, all right?
No. Jeez.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
We got a house in Italy.
You got a house in Italy?
Yeah. By our grandparents.
My father, who is trying to do his damnedest to retire, but just can't seem to do it, because he either is a workaholic or knows that if he leaves during
Played
some of these
Dante.
projects that he's going to be fucking people. But he's buying they want to buy a home in Montepulciano, Italy, and it's this town, and the town is literally like, I mean, it's like a Game of Thrones, like it's wrapped with a giant wall, right? But just outside the home, like 15-minute walk, there's this little farmhouse that has like 6 bedrooms and needs renovation and stuff. And my dad like just threw some stupid lowball number at the people, and we're like, yeah, it'd be great. Like, if we get this, this condo or this townhome, like we'll take that house out there, that farmhouse out there for this price too. Like, just literally bullshitting. And the people are like, yeah, we could probably do that. So he called the grandkids today and he's like, I'm gonna put it in the grandkids' names, and we're gonna, once it's done, I'll obviously go down there for 2 weeks and fucking remodel the whole bitch. But yeah, so they found out they're gonna have a little farm home today. I'm like, you ladies have no idea how spoiled you are.
Oh my gosh, that's awesome.
And there's
That's amazing.
and there's a little winery, like there's a whole or a handful of acres of grapevines that like some little local wine company right there like uses, but it's technically part of the house. So we have the ability to just, either
Generate
let them keep doing it, but we also can charge for it.
Yeah, exactly. It's like Ghost Rap Battle said, the Boo posted, income on income on income.
Hey,
Or revenue.
antifreeze we were talking about earlier, right?
Hey, you don't tell the people what's in the wine until they taste it, huh? Am I right? Okay.
I don't know what I want to do here on this hand. That's right again. I'm sitting on pocket pair, Chris. I'm telling you right now. But I feel like you probably have one higher than me on that card, so I'll show you. See, yep, I knew you did. You son of a bitch. You sly motherfucker.
Well, he's sitting on a rabbit's foot.
Rabbit's foot. That means luck, and there's no such thing as luck, bro. You define your own destiny.
I've been watching him tonight. Come on now.
No,
I
yeah,
didn't say
but did
anything
you
about
hear
blind
Massimo?
squirrels,
He was
man.
short stacked. He literally talked himself into where he is right now.
That's true.
Made it happen. Just like the
All right,
folks,
girls.
gonna bundle in the farmhouse. Boom.
I got to keep my energy up.
I was with the Rooster crew for the night. I took second over there before we played over here.
Nice.
Good job. You get top 3, you get paid there, right?
Yeah, I won like $30-40.
Okay.
Yeah, nothing wrong with that.
Yeah, those games go on for a while with all the buy-ins because it's like 2-hour late reds, right?
Yeah, there was a lot of rebuys too.
Yeah.
I was like, "Oh,
want to
you're
play on this hand? Let's play. Someone play.
It's only Mr. Chris Dante's out.
Come on, Chris.
Ooh.
All right.
Oh, wow.
That's too funny. That is too funny. Well played, Chris. Well played, Massimo. Yeah, all right. Thanks,
Wait,
Chris.
that wasn't a push?
No, it was.
Oh, okay. On my screen, it didn't show
We basically
you.
are right back to where we were.
Yeah, that's fine.
I knew he was there. I knew he was in, but I didn't know. I mean, that last card was helpful, but for both of us.
Right.
Oh shit. Let's go. Yes.
You win.
What happens if I win?
Yeah.
You mean what happens when I win?
Yes.
Ask me that question again.
What happens when you win?
I gloat for a little bit. I talk shit for maybe 30 seconds. But but then I reel it right back in to make sure everyone understands how appreciative I am. I get a bunch of Lotto tokens, baby.
Money. This is disappointing.
That is money. Lotto tokens is money. It's a growing asset, sweetheart.
Somebody on X said that 5 million tokens earlier was going to make Carly rich AF, and I was like, whoa,
Damn it.
it's coming
Chris,
around.
what'd you have there, bro? I want to know. I'm going to show you.
Is it you and two guys?
Okay, good. Well played, Chris. You had me on the goddamn ropes, man. I almost did it, too. Yeah, you slick motherfucker. I'm watching you, bro. Just not this hand. I'm not watching you.
Come on, Dante. Come on, Massimo. Stop bullshitting, bro.
Okay. Yep. Last statement from my daughter, really quick. Go ahead.
My dad is powerful, and he's gonna take you down.
Let's go, girl.
That's right. Hey, here.
Love it.
True or false? Your dad is built like a brick shithouse. True or false? Your dad is crazy as mother effer.
True as a mother effort.
True or false? I've been known to be called the silverback gorilla.
Silverback gorilla. True. I was having second thoughts. Ow, my butthole.
What?
I'm sorry.
Get out of here.
Oh my god.
Sorry, my daughter just got stepped on, and apparently my energy is transferring to them. I'll be right back.
Hey, you better focus on taking out Mr. Chris. Don't play. You're in a hand, dog.
Yeah, you all right. Check it.
I'm here.
I'm here.
I'm going to be honest. I might win this hand. Might. Probably not.
I think a king was good.
Dante's not going to show. You son of a bitch, Dante. Well played, sir.
Did you
Come on.
No, he honestly just got in my head for a second there because I wanted to see his card and he didn't show it, but I'm over it already, so.
Focus you on. Yes, man.
Any news, dude, or what?
Where are we at? I haven't looked at the chart since I got to the final table.
147.
I just keep getting alerts.
147.
All right, I got to be like 40% up on my short.
Daddy, how do you get to the final table?
By winning.
Oh, geez.
Dante.
Which is all I do.
How about after this run, you and me play a game?
It's so light out. Yeah, there's a bright ass moon tonight. Hey, should we go play some volleyball in the back? Is the net up?
Yes.
Ooh. Hey, as soon as I win this game, maybe we'll play some moon ball.
Wait, actually?
Maybe.
You want to go outside right now?
Maybe after I win this game.
Wait, he really wants to go outside and play volleyball.
Hold on, I'm all in and I'm going to win this hand easily, so. Oh, look at that, Chris, you son of a bitch.
No!
Wow.
What?
Nothing, bro. You
Dude,
see what I'm saying?
he calls me 7'9", and I almost needed to screenshot that.
He called you with 7'9" with parent.
Hey, where was Pop when he said something about luck earlier? Because that was it. However, I will congratulate you, you lucky bastard.
Wait, you lost?
So gross.
To Mr. Chris.
Let me see.
So gross.
No.
All right. Now everyone, let's cheer for Dante. Okay.
That rabbit foot is not a horseshoe.
Hey,
Mr. Chris. What you did?
Mr. Chris is a meanie.
Hey, remember I've shown you some of the pictures that Dante's has made. I'll show you again.
Almost threw up, dude.
Is that
And hey, and he's European like us too.
Dante beat Mr. Chris.
He took me out with 8 high, and he took you out with 9 high, bro. Like, this is what I'm telling you, bro. This is this guy.
No, it wasn't 9 high. I mean, I can't believe he went.
Called 7-9 pre-flop offsuit.
Yeah.
Just like he raised with 8-2 pre-flop offsuit.
And I'm sitting on pocket queens, bro.
I'm trying to tell you. Oh no, Dante, don't reconnect now. Dante, thank God. Let's go. All in his head. Let's go, Dante. Call him.
He's folding. He's folding.
I know, but I want him to call. He's gonna focus. He has nothing.
Oh yeah.
He literally has 4s. Watch. He's gonna show 4. Nothing.
Yes.
I want to show it. He's probably 6 high. Let's go, Dante.
Meet tomorrow to find a projector.
What's a projector?
All in.
Screen.
His ass.
Wait, you seriously want to go outside and play volleyball?
There's one mom. There's one girl going for not Mr. Chris. Who you better recognize.
Who? We're going for Dante.
Of course we are. Let's go, Dante. Look at that. Sherry, too. Let's go, Sherry. You see that, Mr. Chris? You created haterade, bro, because of the hands you're winning with. They're gross. They're disgusting. They're the opposite of very nice. I'm getting ready to jump back in on this chart. Yo, we got a wedge forming on Solana right now. And whatever happens on this wedge is going to get real
I think
shiesty.
we should just do rock, paper, scissors.
You guys want to do rock, paper, scissors? No, dude. Let's let Dante beat him. The heads up goes quick. Watch. It goes blah, blah. It'll be like all in, raise, re-raise, call, and then this boom. That's it. Gone.
Yeah, but these blinds, it'll be over quick.
You know?
I mean, if it wasn't for the cards, I'd win every game.
100%, man. Every one of them. Straight up, man. If I didn't get called by 8 high, I would win every time, bro. Dog. I swear to you, I've been caught bluffing twice the entire year. No joke. Twice. Once was by Dante. I got second place. He got first. Now we got Mr. Chris out here just calling anything. Any 2 cards. He's like, I'm calling.
Isn't Dante who just beat me for first last Friday? Last month?
Yeah, I think it was a few games back, but yeah.
Yeah, it was the year-long Friday. Yeah, I think it was Dante that beat me.
Yeah, Dante finally got his first place off his back, man. Watch, he'll call everything. To create no matter what 2 cards he has, he calls.
Chris is in.
He's got 3-9 offsuit. Loved it. He checked it all quick. See that shit? Now he calls. Yeah, get out, Mr. Cruz. That's right. Let's go, Dante. Blah, blah, blah. It's written. It's written that you got second place, bro. You're good. You're good. But as long as Dante's around, you'll always be second best, Mr. Cruz. Straight up, dude. Rizless Mr. Chris over here, dude. I'm talking so much shit. Truth is, I really like the guy. I just hate his poker strategy. I want to beat his ass right now for it. I'm such a sore loser. I literally hate losing more than I enjoy winning. I swear to you.
Dude, he's played the worst cards. I was at the final table with him. I was like, what is this guy doing?
I mean, that's pretty random because I think this is like the second time he's made the final table. That's how bad he is. It's very shocking. He literally plays, as you can see, 9-7 offsuit, 8-2 offsuit. That's how he beat me. 8-2. I will give you some lessons later, Ghost. You see, and then he woofs too. Woofs. I made a deal. I said, you can't talk shit until you get to the final table, let alone you got to win one game, bro. He talked shit the whole time, but he finally got to the final table. I was like, okay. Then he finally got to the final table and won. I was like, okay. Then we were giving him all the love. Like that. At that point, I got to give you love for battling through all the shit talking. But tonight, bro, look at this. 75% of the hands he's playing, he's flamed out, dude. And it's because he's catching lucky turn 2 pairs, lucky flushes, 7-9, 9-2. Like he's just a grime ball right now, dude. I'm ready to get his ass over with tonight. Come on, Dante. Re-raise his ass. He thinks he's taking the crown tonight. Dante. Let's go, Dante. I got a feeling it's gonna be in like 4 hands from now. They're gonna both be all in, and Dante's gonna murder him. Not the mama. Are you getting smart with me? Sometimes that's how the cards fall. Are you talking shit, not the mama? I hope so. I'm just kidding, not the mama. I love you. You know, it's bad when like I'm out here like really engaged on this game because I really want someone to lose. Like, you know, that's a hater. I'm never
Chris, go all in.
Go all in, Mr. Chris.
Chris, I hope you're happy. My daughters are crying, bro. They're crying.
Yeah, I seriously, dude.
You did.
I'm just kidding. They just looked at me like, you think we're giant babies or what? Hey,
He's ruthless.
do you think my serious question? I don't know Mr. Chris at all, but and neither does she. And honestly, he's a very nice man. But if I gave you your gloves, do you think you could take them?
Yes.
Gosh.
I agree.
Wow.
Should I send them a video of some of your bag work or your mitt work?
When was the last time Ghost win asking for YOLO? Wow. Lost Girl on Twitch. Let me break something down to you, okay?
Oh man,
Wait,
there's
Lost Girl. Is that
tuned
not
up.
really
Tuned
Lost
up.
Girl? Mr. Chris, did you make a Lost Girl account?
I won.
You trolling?
And I beat on Rooster's game just like 3 games ago, first of all, okay? Second of all, need I remind you, we give you a lot of love about your poker skills. It's true. But when I look at this list and I try and find where you're at, I have to go pretty low to find Lost Girl. Baby YOLO's up here. So tell Baby YOLO she's in 8th place with 30 measly points. And until she gets at least above 75 with the big boys, there's only 3 above 75. When she gets with the big boys, she could keep talking and woofing. Okay, Lost
Who's
Girl,
that?
go pass
Who's
that
that
on.
in 4th?
Yeah, even Massimo got knocked out. Man, he's on that list right there.
Let's go, Dante. Oh my God, did he get ganked again?
I was just looking at the list though. Was I really in 4th?
Probably. Yeah, you're in 4th. 60 points.
Hey.
Yeah, you used to be tied for like that place with a bunch of people, but last month kind of decided a definitive first, second, and third, and there you are, all alone in 4th. You're the only 4 with our own places on there.
I've only played 3 months. I'll take it.
That's all you need. I mean, there's only been 5.
Okay, I played 3 of them. 2 final tables.
That there's 4 in the top 4 on the mics right now. Egon in 1st, Husky up here on 2nd. I'm up here hosting as 3rd. You got a mic 4th. Is it not ironic that the top 4 have a mic? I mean, I'm just saying, bro.
They might know what they're doing.
Grab a mic. When you get the mic, dude, you get some good karma. I'm just saying.
It pays off.
I always play better when I'm having fun, right?
Right.
And when
100%.
or when I have a slight buzz. And we're talking about cards and golf.
And a newfound winery.
Yeah, Lost Girl out here starting shit. Hey, let me tell you something. Lost Girl, get up, get your points up, girl.
I think it's like a 20 or 200 bottle a year winery.
That's still really cool.
Yeah, it's sweet. The best part is my brother-in-law and his like Croatian family. They have grapes shipped in from Napa and from Croatia. And they make their own homemade wine. Like I'm talking gallons. And gallons,
Get aggressive,
and
Dante.
it's better than anything you could ever have. So I'm gonna be bringing him down there and just be like, dude, let's just retire down here, and just get pissed drunk on wine and fish and sell it.
Get aggressive, Dante. Don't let him bully you. Get aggressive. Show him your name means business. Dante bluffs. Bluff his ass. All in on his ass. Trust me. He ain't got shit.
Stands for the Sydney.
You got a spade, go all in, dog.
If it's a queen, especially, or a king.
Yeah, king for sure.
Yeah.
He had no spades. This son of a bitch had a gut shot.
Oh man, he's going for the straight draw.
A gut shot. He had 4 outs, dude.
Just because it doesn't say bluffs after Mr. Chris, Dante, don't mean you don't.
Dante, come on, bro.
Turn it up.
All he needs a couple hands. Good big blind. Let's go.
Come on, Dante. Damn, he's just card dead. Look at him freezing cold while this son of a bitch is flamed out. You put the flame in flamer, Mr. Chris.
You know what? Club
Flame.
GG probably knows what's up. That's actually Mr. Chris is probably the reason for this update. Let's see if this ever happens again.
There you go, Dante. Come on, push him up. Let's go, Dante. Jack High's got this son of a bitch. Let's go. Give him a 7.
No way.
Son of a B.
So gross, man. I don't even want to
know.
A bitch.
Bad Club GG. Bad.
Mr. Chris AF. Mr. Chris
say
AF.
my name. Mr. Chris.
Chris AF. Mr. Chris AF. You said
You're
say
the
your
champ. Woof, woof.
You're the fucking champion. You lucky son of a bitch. The crown is yours. Friday, I swear to you.
Congratulations, Chris.
We're
Bastard.
side betting on Friday, you son of a bitch. We're putting 250,000 Lotto tokens on the line. You versus me. Whoever gets first, 250,000 is coming from my pocket to you if you get further than me, or you put 250,000 to me. You're sending me 250,000 if you last longer than me on Friday. What do you say, you 2-pump chump?
Say my name, Mr. Chris.
Mr. Chris, we don't care what time it is. Did you hear what Gus said? You in or you out for that?
Bro, maybe he needs some help here. Mr. Chris, side bet for Friday's game. If you last longer than me in the game, you get 250,000 tokens in Lotto from me to you. But if you don't last longer than me, which is going to be the case, you got to then give me 250,000 Lotto tokens. What do you say, Mr. Chris? Yeah, you're burping in the mic like that's disturbing, bro. Who's doing that? And then no one wants to fess up, you dirty fuck.
Hey, it actually wasn't me hot mic this time.
That
I
was
know.
not me
I
either.
know.
I'll help you out there, Chris. I'll put
yes.
50,000 towards your 250.
Yeah, what's up, Mr. Chris?
Is that a yes?
Bro, you gotta joke me. Oh, look at this. Baby Yolo said she wants to take the bet too.
I'll be in on that too.
I'm in too. Let's go.
Good, let's go.
He's in. Mr. Chris
We're all
is
tossing
in.
50 in, Chris,
All
for
right,
you. All you got to
deal.
do is come up
Yes.
with 50 yourself, Chris.
Screenshotted. Boom. You're in.
We're gonna make a post.
Chris has some skin in the game. So 4 of us come 50. Chris, you go 50. Let's go. You're 50 up against Ghost 250.
Don't fucking bail his ass out so it's nothing for him to lose. Dog.
All right, Ghost says no. Ghost says
It's
come over
all
with
the
yourself, Chris.
250K. Like I'll give 250.
I'm putting out a fucking post. Okay, Mr. Chris, I'm putting out a fucking post. You're the champion. Congratulations. It's going to last for literally like 3 days because come Friday, all the money you made in this tournament and the last time you won and the last time you got to the final table, the only 3 times you made the final table, you're going to lose all of that and then some when I take that ass out, bro. You hear me, dog?
Oh yeah, FYI, I gave away the password for free tonight. Nobody paid in Lotto, so the winnings are going to be light this week, Mr. Chris.
Chris.
Oh, so sorry, guys. The Lotto is over. Damn it.
Good game. Good game.
Go sell your bag.
I swear to you, bro. I'm literally about to. That's it, bro. Coming for that motherfucker, dog. All right, guys. It's been real.
He officially accepted it, by the way.
Oh yeah, no. I see it, guys. I appreciate that. I'm gonna make sure too. I'm gonna make sure I DM him the entire rules because I promise I'm taking that motherfucker down like next game.
Ghost, do it, and then I'll take you down. But that's besides here nor there.
Before you cut this stream, where you at with your perp?
Actually, the funny thing is I started looking at it, and then I got distracted when Ghost was like just all up in Chris's ass. I was very entertained.
Ghost is who I was talking to, but I appreciate you. Yeah, I mean, I'm curious. I hope you're doing well.
43%.
He's probably you know what deep in that post right now. we'll get that out there.
Congratulations, folks, right now.
Yeah, that's the post I was referring to. Clearly.
Oh,
why do you have a baby picture of Chris attached to it? That's not necessary.
I'm telling you right now, dog.
Of course, we should make a side bet headquarters.
God damn it. We need a.
Honest to God, who
I
keeps
wish
doing
Woods
that?
Harder to make a gambling app.
Oh my gosh, Mr. Chris, you got a cool little jet, buddy. I'm not gonna lie, I laughed at it.
All right, what was your question now? You wanted to know where my perp stands?
Yeah, how's the chart looking? How's your perp doing?
Let's check it out.
37% go. It's dropping.
I already trimmed 75% of it, so I feel good about that, but it's definitely going. I'm still up 6% on the last 25%. But we break out of this wedge and it's a whole different ball game. I just think that we're going to do the same thing we've been doing. It's just wicking right out of it. But we'll see.
Right, via the same candle, it would need to close above that for your theory to play out. Yes.
Yeah, breaking above is nothing. Closing above is something for sure. We got 12 minutes though for that to last. So I'm not. To be quite honest with you, I won't hold past this though. I'll cut if this gets even close. If this hits red, I'll close it out because that's literally my profits.
Gotcha.
I have $39 in profits. I don't want to give that up for no reason. It's going to put me up a decent
hopefully
amount.
it'll be green because we want it to close within that wedge because the short will be stronger for you. And I mean, not that you'll be scalping all the way to the front of that triangle. Who knows? Maybe you will. But the closer we get to the front of that wedge, more exciting this is going to get.
Yeah, for me, though, it's more about preserving my resources on the trade. I would just prefer to re-enter than to ride this and round trip it, if that makes sense.
You're in a short. So if it comes down back into the wedge, it's going to be more green. Yeah?
But you see how it's 4% up?
Yeah.
That's it. So if this gets to 3, there it is. For me, I'm out, ensuring that I keep all of my profits.
Oh, I got what you're saying.
And then I would just re-enter when I get my confirmation that we're going to stay in that wedge.
Sure.
Yeah.
You see what I mean? Because now, remember, this is a one soul challenge count. I got to play a little bit different on it. We are officially up to, wait for it, 59.8% up on the port.
Whoa.
And this is day 7.
I always have to hit that little refresh, Johnsky.
Days to double up. In 7 days, we've got almost 60% up now. Now we'll re-enter.
Keep in mind, that was after being almost completely liquidated after a couple of these things. I mean, this hasn't always been one soul, folks.
No, I got liquidated twice, bro. All full disclosure, I got liquidated twice. I was down to 0.4 last night. When I was on the phone with you after the stream, I was in a short.
Yeah.
And I literally went 100. No, I went like 80 leverage on a short. Right around, it was around 147, 148. Where was I? I was right around here, I think. No, my bad. I'm tripping.
No, that was right after. Yeah, we got. It was probably like 12 o'clock your time.
I think I got in. Wait, I can tell you where I got in on the 1 hour.
Oh, the 1 hour straight down.
Yeah, exactly.
Tell the story though.
Right, but we came back up to 150-ish, and I was like, "Fuck! If this thing comes up on me, I'm done. It's gonna liquidate me." And instead, I put a stop. I put a take profit at 148.25. So I got taken out right around here, and it went all the way down to 145, bro. I was like, "Damn, that would have been amazing."
Yep.
But that put us right back in the game, you know. So now we're sitting here at.
And that's the funny part. I told you that I had put in a 10x leverage trade entry position was like 0.07. So, but the liquidation was like 139 at the time. And I was thinking to myself this morning, man, what if I had done the same thing with that small size, but on a short and let that ride overnight? Oh my gosh. Because that move was miserly.
Hold on 1 second.
Yeah,
first off,
up, bro.
Mr. Chris for taking out 11 people. That really is astonishing. That's like phenomenal. That's like Estoniashing. That's like Estonia and astonishing all rolled up. Earl Brown, I would love for you to jump up here and grab a mic, bro. Do you have X? If you have X, you can go to my page at IamGhost_AF. Request a link. I'll send it to you. You can join the link and jump up here anytime. Monday through Friday, we do Perpetuals, crash courses on day trading them. We're doing a 1 Sol challenge, trying to get to 5 Solana, and then we're giving out 1 Solana for free. Everything we do is free. There's no charge for our services because we are not financial advisors. We're just people that trade for a long time, having a good time. With that being said, you said
boring.
You said boring? Yeah, okay, cool.
Yeah.
That flat iron wasn't turned on because your bitch made ass face nose would burn off. So God bless you, and I hope you enjoy your days trolling the internet because that sounds really fun. But yeah, I love everybody, even the trolls. I hope you guys enjoy your evening. I'm about to visit with the LottoFamBAM. We got company coming in tomorrow. So wait for it because it's about to be a fucking fun ass experience. We love you. You call me an NIGGER? Damn, you must be fucking feeling so good and frisky about your life, bro, to say those things. Let me help you out so you can actually have it all hit the screen in the right order. There you go. I did it. I did it for you. You happy now?
Spieling.
You feel really good, Earl? You are? Okay, good. See, there, we're getting somewhere. I made you happy. That's what I wanted to do. I love you, Earl. I love you, buddy. I love you. I hope it doesn't hurt your feelings that we're up here talking so much fun. Hey, Egon, you want to grab some peanut butter so you can make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich for this jelly ass dude?
Peanut butter and jellies?
You want to grab some peanut butter for him?
Oh, I see. Through the hard ER.
Yeah, that's so cute. You turned 13 in December, fag. Well, that makes sense. 13-year-olds talk just like that. They just throw out the N-word, and then they just literally flat iron their
And they
nose.
tell strangers how old they are on the internet. Like,
Yep.
It's cute. It's
Hey,
really
if
cute.
the truth is if you're really 13 and you're talking like that, man, remember parenting is important, bro. Just go reach out to your peeps and see if they can help re-raise you, bro. Or girl. I don't even know what you are, to be quite honest with you, because I know you're down bad, bro. And we love you and we want you to feel better. So I think you should do yourself a solid, for real. Come back, tune in, just be like very quiet and just listen, and then see if there's a way you can change your ways, your thought process, be a little bit receptive. It's going to be hard to be receptive, but I want you to just hang out in the background and just kick it with us, bro. I have a feeling, I promise you I have a feeling, because if you're going from, I traded for Goldman Sachs for 4 years, I'm 13, you're a fag, NIGGER, if your mind's scrambling like that, you just need a little bit of help being still, that's all. So do us a solid, come back tomorrow, 4:45 p.m. Pacific Standard, and just hang out with us.
No.
Just
If you're
hang out with
13,
us.
Go hang out.
No, he's
with
not 13.
friends.
Remember, he traded at Goldman Sachs. Now he's a chef. He'll never listen to advice of a Brown. To be honest, dude, there's no advice. So just come kick it, dog. Just come kick it with us, bro. I promise you'll have a good time. I promise you. But yeah, man, we love you. We love everybody, even the haters. You guys got to understand, without hate, there's no love. If you ain't got no hate, you ain't doing nothing right. So we appreciate it. We really do. Tune in tomorrow, 4:45 Pacific Standard Time. We'll be right back at it with some Perpetuals. It'll be super fun. I can guarantee you that much. We're even giving out some Lotto balls tomorrow on the live stream just to have a good time for a long time. And if you hit the Lotto, you get paid, which is amazing. In regards to Lotto, which is the most important part of everything, you can see our chart getting some love right now, which is awesome to see. A couple big, decent purchases earlier today, a little over a 1.5 mil, 2 mil, coming in hot. Chart's looking good. We went from our low, about 200K. We passed our mean, which is about a 250 milli. We're headed back towards that 300,000 market cap, which is awesome to see. Man, the float is thin, man. $32,000 would clean out our entire float of 113 million tokens left. We're on our way, y'all. Just keep having a good time for a long time. Make sure you guys practice risk management. Don't ever put money into something that you can't afford to lose. And yeah, we'll be back on tomorrow. I love everybody. Enjoy the video that's going to play afterwards. And then as far as Earl goes, man, come on, bro. Come on back tomorrow. I have a feeling you'll enjoy yourself, man, for real. God bless.